PM my man of pain.
I've missed my listeners.
They've also missed you too.
Oh, my phone this week, dear. I'm going forward into the news headlines for this morning, beginning with the general news as always. Foreign Minister Blakwa confirms probe into death of 18-year-old Ghanaian student in Latvia. Joy News.
Joy News and anyway, eba. Eye oswafo a wo hwe amonone ho ansem so na eka weyi owura ana onimunyamfo Samuel Okudjato Ablakwa na eneyi eye 18-year girl a okowuyi ewo amanone a na wo yesukuu ni ene enhwehwemu ebedaadi a na empanimfo aye omwadwen se wonom ebeye ehwehwemu na wonom ede ho enkrata ekoma oswafo hwe amanone ho nsem so sesei wagye atomu a wo yese empanimfo enye na wonfa ehwehwemu enwu akwamu kwan a ababaawe efa so a ofiri mu ewa amanone.
6 drivers arrested as AMA boss enforces approved public transport fares. Joy News.
Joy News kronwa na esen kawe ya ubepiemu ewo oman Ghana mu a na kire se enkekamia ye se edru afida bia na safene kwa wieye bia mpempie ka ne se buro nyada no eho ana driver fo dodo na ni titiru ne trotrofo no wo mudinya wo mu esika ene wakwakwaje ka loan a ene wo be force wa se wo benya ne ka esika e de atua ne ka na eneyi aba betodwa se lorry first ahodo no a na asenti ado a asenti a de bo no a embele driver fo egegye no afini kwa wiese ya na omo jeje pa ene obebo torotoro se wo kwa kaso wo se me kwa kaneshi wodu kaneshi na ofa bia to aso na chese kaso lorry fair ye 10 cedi a wontina mu enkoduru kaso ano na watu ya be 30 Ghana eno na nam so ema eye Accra Metropolitan Assembly AMA abomode a che driver fo makoma ensia ni nyina ne se wonum lorry fair no ya de se wo torotoro atutumu a eni kwan se wonum eyesa.
Away from that, police reinforce security in Nalerigu following violent disturbances. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom, ene ono nso waka we ya ukopiem ewo tifidu mantamu a bia ewo hwa ye friend Nalerigu ena eneyi akwakopiem se aposifo ehye banbo mu kena oho bi papa ama chese awote wo hu agu abonten so ni nyina ene se mente me ho ase ene entokwa bi a esi ho no akoba ne se ama asundwi ato ape ewo ho no mo pa wo kire se wontena ho emma basabasa ye emma eninti wate wo hu agu monten so a wo hwe se banbo ebeye adwuma ewo atifi mantamu Nalerigu.
Fire service to enforce compulsory fire extinguishers in vehicles nationwide from December 18. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic ene o kawe ya wo kire se odumja adwuma yekuo no eneyi e kire se fire extinguisher na kire se afidie kafokafo no a yedidumja wabra eja ato baabie no wo hwese driver ni bia no hyenka ni bia wo my Ghana mu se woni so wo trotro se wo ya taxi wo ko be se commercial private wo mo be hwe se wo bia ede eye fire extinguisher ibi ebeto ne ka mu ama se koba ne se wonam na se akwanhia bisi ana bibisi na eja to ne ka mu a wotimi aso ano ntem na enkoba ne se de bia ye frɛ fire service adwuma yekuo no ana odum je adwuma yekuo no ama ebewi akire no wo mo ankoduru ho ntem a na ye obo mo sobo eni ntinom wo de ehye eba abeto ho no mo ya eye enura December bosumi etoso du nwotwe no se efiri saa abre no a ekɔ no eye wo hye se wo driver ni bia ebenya fire extinguisher ewo ne kam.
Water supply disruption looms as Wager plant undergoes maintenance on Friday. Joy News.
Joy News ene ono nso waka we a wo kire se obepiemu ewo enkran kropon mu ha brono ba kwa ye friend Wager ade se plant kese si ho pa planti eno ena kire se Accra mantam ha dodo na brono hodo no a wonum agi ensuo efiri ene ide empanimfo ayo mwadwen se wonum eba be yensiesie ewo planti eso eni ntiri wonum eba betumu na we me ye sure se ebeka miamia bebre enkra ha de me ye sure se da suma na ebeka Wager ebekwa kofa kokomleble na sefo nyina nti ete sa brono we su nyina na ye hwe ne ye nhye no nso enti wonum ede to amanfo anim se koba ne se wunsuo emma ene na wonum ato planti mu a ye ensiesie ɛwɔ so. Joy News ɛna ɛka wi.
To our last story on the general news, December in Ghana sees high international participation. Ghana Tourism Authority to City Newsroom.
Ghana Tourism Authority na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ekuo anase asoya wɔnom ɛhwɛ akwansra ho nsɛm so ɛna wɔde nsɛm ɛto dwa sɛ wobɛpiem ɛwɔ ɔman Ghana mu nkɛka me ayɛ sɛ afei kɔ awie yɛ a ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ amanɔnefoɔ obi bɛ sɛ diaspora wɔnom ɛba ɔman Ghana mu papaapa ne nyinaa ne sɛ ɛyɛ yɛ akwansra ho nsɛm ɛnika ɛni tí wɔn ɛba abɛhwɛ kwan a Ghana yɛsi fa so ɛyɛ yamamrɛ ɛde yamaneɛ yɛsi fa so ɛdi afe no ɛkɔ ɛne mia bi a wotumi hu sɛ obi efiri amanɔne ba a wɔba hɔ nom a n'ani agye yie papaapa na wɔkeka wei nyinaa no wɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ saa nsɛm yi nyinaa no ebesi a ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ afe no ɛkɔ na wieyɛ no ɛna saa nneɛma wei etimi si a sesei ɔman Ghana mu ɛba ne tourism ho nsɛm paa deɛ a ano ɛdi yie papaapa.
Moving to the world of business, Trade Ministry secures 40,000 acres in Yeji for Feed the Industry program. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom ɛna ɛbɔ saa amanyɛ wei a ukopie mu ɛwɔ Yeji ɛno nso so ɛwɔ atifido mantam hɔ baabi. Ɛna ɛnɛ yi aba bepie mu wɔso afa wɔn ɛhwɛ edwadie ho nsɛm so ɛde atodwa wɔ kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ aban na yɛ nhyehyɛeɛ bi a kyerɛ sɛ edin a ɛda soɔ ɛyɛ Feed the Industry na kyerɛ sɛ enuane ho nsɛm ɛna wɔɔkan sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a edwadie nso so ɛbɛtumi akɔ n'anim mu ɛnɛ yi deɛ nsaase maako keka bɔ mu a 40,000 acres na kyerɛ sɛ nyɛ nsaase ketewa asase yantampa ya trade minister ahyɛ sɛ wɔnom agye ya wɔde ɛba bɛyɛ ɛyɛ Feed the Industry ya wɔnom ɛbɛhwɛ ama enuane ho nsɛm ɛne edwadie ho nsɛm so atumi agyina.
Ghana's economy must transition from stability to growth in 2026. Joe Jackson said this on Joy Business.
Yɛbɔ wura mu ɛwɔ adwadie ho nsɛm so a Joy Business ɛna ɛka wei a wɔkyerɛ sɛ Ghana yɛn economy anaasɛ yɛn asetena no ayɛ yie ɛsɛ sɛ efiri sɛ yɛka ne sɛ ayɛ yie ɛnkɔ bia yɛka ne sɛ ɛnyini na de bia yɛka yɛn economy ne egyina ne naso yɛn economy ne egyina ne naso ebegyina ne naso egyina hɔ akosi da bɛn enti emfiri egyina ne naso na enkoduru ɛnyini na wɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛno ɛna ɛbɛm yɛ hu sɛ ɛyɛ yɛn economy no ɛkɔ n'anim yie papaapa wɔse wɔhwɛ anim sɛ efiri saa bere ya ekosi afi ebesi mu mfimpinu ɛne aduonu nsia emfiri egyina ne naso enko yɛ nyini.
To our international news, Sudan's top general meets Egyptian president amid growing pressure to resolve the war. African news.
Africa News and ono nso wɔbɔ yɛn amanneɛ yi afiri ɔman Sudan mu na kyerɛ sɛ mpanimfoɔ atitiri ne ani ntinim ɛna ɛnɛ yi wɔabɔ mmɔden a akɔ akɔhyia Egyptian president na kyerɛ sɛ Egypt mampanin ɛna ɛnɛ yi deɛ wɔnom edi kasasie edi kasubom sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ntɔkwa ɛne menteme ho ase ya ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ ɔman Sudan mu ɛne aman foforɔ a ɛbɛn ɔman Sudan no ɛkɔ so no mpanimfoɔ yi ɛbɛtumi ɛde yie ato yie ama asomdue nso so apie mu ɛwɔ ɔman Sudan ɛne ne mpatam.
To our last story for this morning, Nigeria issues formal apology to Burkina Faso over airspace violation. African news.
African News Kronoa ɛna ɛka wei ukopie mu ɛwɔ ɔman Nigeria mu a sese wɔnom mpanimfoɔ abɔmɔden a na kyerɛ sɛ watwerɛ krataa tententen ayi bɔfoɔ ɛde akɔ akɔma ɛyɛ ɔman Burkina Faso ya wɔpa kyɛw ne nyinaa ɛne ntɔkwa ɛne menteme ho ase nsɛnsɛm a Nigeriafoɔ ɛde kɔpie mu ɛwɔ ɔman ɛyɛ Burkina Faso so a na kyerɛ sɛ ɛntwa yie ɛnɛ yi deɛ kyerɛ sɛ etuo ɛnkɔtwere deɛ twere mpanimfoɔ ama ɔmo nsa so a wɔde wɔn nadeɛ agu fam a wɔpa ɔman Burkina Faso atwɛw sɛ asomdue mmra wɔn ntam.
So these are the stories we came with this morning, but we'll do some outstanding stories for discussion this morning. Greeno, my interest lie in the very first story we spoke about, where the foreign minister Samuel
confirmed the probe.
Yes, confirms probe into the death. I like the fact that they are taking a step further because this is the first time Ghana for I call on my for so
Obete na we
ubete na bi mu etu na ye ja asem netra but wait there there's probably further to know the cause because guy we 18-year boy he's one sharp guy
isn't a girl
they be oyebema na need oyebema
okay
boy kokoko bi and okọ you see we school boy bi no wu ye na kokoko bi na wu ono a ne ho asem na ye ka no
oh
okọ ye
na just abe mu akama
na asem no ko ba ni na ndi mu say na dan fofo eba ni ho fie but while they were coming they came with a drink and they say they gave him something to drink in be musu say ye piano
be musu
so that's why they who has some I like the fact that our ministry our foreign ministry has taken the issue a step further and I'll be grateful that it shouldn't just be this case but other cases I'll better say so you're going to need to because they can't come to our country and we'll do that to them maintain that say obi free ni kro baba Ghana for to action so na say who mo ya say so if our ministry is taking this a step further I'm so grateful I'm more money nka ho cases ni na
omunhwe no mo ni akire
akola 18 years no wa going to say me go school go so ya dia ba na wo me ofie ya friend
very brilliant person
akola yes wa ben papa
na wo me ya baba be ma scholarship papa bridge
wa ben papa and then time na you interview him some time ago I saw an interview with the mother. Now, the guy was going to work for an agency aside being a student because of his brilliance. And I just said, "For to after you come up here to actually, yeah. It was my man was sure idea because now she say, Leninda, I see a friend there so I can't home for the hospital. Not just say, "Bibi, baby, I just I can't home beton." As I go food. And say, "I buy no evidence." The nice film say. They want to investigate into the issue and bring out what the cause of the death is. Into foreign ministry, yeah, that must be brave. Say, you've taken this a step further. And then again, for now, watch 6 commercial drivers. Because I say, I'm yes, all about to transportation, mono. It's so more fun. You sometimes, they feel that. They
own the law. And you know,
nothing rules are meant to be broken. Rules will break your break it because a pedo story no a pakpona nkasano mayor no longer say he was with the tax force people. Yeah, and not walk around.
And I
will assignment mama what
and I assignment to be Accra and market women almost so far mayor pakoni. Ever since this traffic jam near DCA, Papa iba a honum, a monwan cassa dio money mobia, and car on destination. That's it. And in a free one on the way, a driver in our deans and wouldn't be at the one.
You see, sometimes people feel that they be a year, I'm like I said, they just say they are just worse. See, I'm okay if I weedy. But or bomb or bomb cocoa, so mom to transportation. Take the normal fare, take the normal most of the DHS and more. Mobile more than that. Monje, I don't want to share anything. Honorable Mr. Uncle Shaiman,
example.
Honorable Mr. Uncle Fashman, Uncle Shai was Shaiman Permami, Sia, on check at the Adiwa Shaiman Mammy. Now, Shaiman drivers who call Lebanon, I even said Teresa, I'm going to say 4 CD. And I do a kind of
how much
no, or call a Catalan Street or bad funny so we do not about 60 you end up. Offer you now, don't you cheer, mommy. I'm on your correct. Honorable Green. So these are the 2 stories where my interest lie. If you have any other
it's very interesting. It's very interesting. It's very interesting.
I don't know where to see for sir. Look at that. I'm so now. Mudi akosha abayin say abayama o my name yedi. Abayin no obetena aka no mujiji lorry fare.
O pebronya ska kodi bronya.
Shey ya no dey any be twane budget. We nya papa na enye bia na say bi na di bronya.
Asama kan pesa me kana wo waka no eno anu no.
Me ya chichi omo kwamayin. I'm say bra Shaiman mayor who ba Shaiman traffic lights obenya drivers be bring. From overhead air bus. Obenya nya sam ketwa. Now what they do is so appalling. You don't do that. We are not say economy na dey coming ahead. Could be ADCY.
Over to you.
Obi a o twika so there. Apobe na o kotu a dey appalling.
I said it's appalling.
It's appalling.
Na driver ni okutu apo aye den.
Enyefe.
Na nka okutu apo.
Enyefe.
That's it like what they are doing to us is appalling, isn't it?
And they can say me guys also driver ni need to apo. Na driver ni or driver.
Na me boy no chela wate.
Na say dey wa beji say. E china be badwuma.
O china Saturday meeting.
Inti ade na o crash e china.
E bi o be fi china.
Monday. Say because I was on tia say me boy
na. Now say e bia no be den.
O be fi china.
Okay. All right.
And that's where your interest lies.
Okay. Mam cho ye damase.
You. Yes, ye damase.
Enti no den kenki wa hu.
Maybe.
Ne yem say tea.
As a tea. Mama nya me ko etwa ne nso a.
Okay. You know never kon say fufu ana kenki.
Fufu na ai.
Emu anyina di abe. So fufu ana di atene. Hey.
Na minim etiefo ya we say ye program na otimi kodi fufu betena se omo nya we o de na bibi so omo ya we ana
egumi
omo nya we
say go bi beka wa na firi untuma mu
eti
we dey bi fira untuma mi fira ntuma ne pa na abo ne tan
etoda say ye program na na du ba bi na be ye 30 minutes monti green on especially in Fifini ho no 58 ho
odi fufu e ma mi menya se boda woro me sere me gentle girl.
Yeah.
Ati asi. Me
gentle fufu. Na ye mo na odi fufu.
Eh, da ba na ya mo me di fufu.
Yeah.
Na ye mo nya minu nya na ti a.
Yeah. Ose.
Lankashwe.
O pass mama me.
All right, I'm sure for you damase. You damase say mama ye hu koma hodo aba be pi mo ba mi ye damase.
From way back then, and if you didn't know, take a paper and pen, and let me take you back to where the story begins. A Christmas tale from beginning to the end. See, it happened one holy night when a virgin gave everyone a fright. In a manger she gave birth to Jesus Christ, the Lord, the Savior, the way, the light. Now it's time to celebrate. Once a year, we get no time to waste. It's time that we put on a Christmas face and smile. It's Christmas Day. It's a day everyone brings cheer, a day everyone shows that they care. A time for love and the gifts we share. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Feliz Navidad. Don't you know it, don't you know? Feliz Navidad. Prospero año, felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Rabiata, yes, come along and sing a song. King is born and on his throne, and can't go wrong, just blow your horn and banana to the break of dawn and drink from the fountain of hope, and you will be strong. When smiles come around, no time to frown. With your mouth say it loud, behold the sun. Take it in, give it out, feel the vibration. Purity and the truth of the Christ nation. Drink from the fountain of hope, and you will be strong.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año, felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Hey, Baba.
You. All right, I'm saying na yente enkomo yi emfi ho. Yeni Eda John Tete eba betwetwe nkoma na pa yi. Eda John Tete edi ni dwumadi e wo Pentecost asafo e wo teacher mante. Eda no pa yeni Eda John Tete twetwe nkoma na yebisa se so bi ti ase na se nipa ne fi mu a ɛyɛ na yɛtɛn sɛ amanfoɔ taa de ɔmo ho ɛdɔm ku ahodoɔ yɛtɛn sɛ amanfoɔ de ɔmo ho so ɛsan ɛdɔm asɔde ɔho enti yɛka ne sɛ na asɔre na nipa ne kɔ no ɛwɔ ne nhyehyɛeɛ asɔre bi wɔ hɔ a yɛsɛ wo te ase no wobɛyɛ well sɛ na wu a pɛ sɛ asɔre no nsie wo na kyerɛ sɛ asɔre no na ɛwɔ ho kwan sɛ yɛn nhyehyɛeɛ ɛwɔ asɔre nim no ɛne yɛde bɛsie wo yɛwɔ ku ahodoɔ bi nso a nipa ne timi dɔm a yɛtimi kyerɛ sɛ ampa yɛn na yie no yɛbɛyɛ na anwummere yie no wofunu no yɛ ma yɛ ne daw wofunu no yɛbɛkata anim ebi nso ɛdɔm ku a ebi nipa ne hia mmoa o ne agyegye sika ne yɛde akɔboa no nyinaa no saa ku ne nyinaa no ɛmra ɛbata saa ku ne ho yɛwie ne saa no nipa no nso ɛwɔ abusua a ofi mu abusua biara nso ɛwɔ ne nhyehyɛeɛ a ɔfa so ɛde sie ne dehyeɛ yɛkɔ ahama no so na yɛ ne ɛda dwɔntɛta atwetwe nkɔmmɔ no yɛbisa ne sɛ ɛba ne sɛ yi a hwan na ɛwɔ ho kwan sɛ osie nipa no na abusua ɛyɛ ku no ɔde ne ho adɔm no ɛyɛ asɔre a ɔkɔ no anaasɛ hwan na ɛwɔ ho kwan sɛ osie sɛ nipa no yɛnkɔ ahama no so na yɛ ne ɛda dwɔntɛta ntwetwe nkɔmmɔ ɛda dwɔntɛta di ne dwumadi ɔ Pentecost asafo teacher mante ɛda makye
ya meni akumi wa pom ti san no pe
yeho adom me ho yɛ pa mete on kana akyɛ
anya san kitwa Kristo adom ti ase
yo yɛda ase sa no pa yi yɛfrɛ wagye nso yɛda ase pa enti ɛde ba ne sɛ ya abusua asɔre anaasɛ ku a nipa ne dɔm no sɛ nipa ne fi mu a hwan na ɔho kwan sɛ ɔde ne hyehyɛ egu akwan mu esie nipa no
yo aja kumi we de meda wase na fa kwenya so na machia ma se tiefo nyina na mama won apiapa aja kumi no kresam asem a wabi sɛ asem kɛse na ɛwɔ bo ade Nyankopɔn hyehyɛ mu no ɛwɔ bo ade Nyankopɔn hyehyɛ mu no kresam nie aja kumi sɛ obi wu na ɛkɔba sɛ ebusua anya no ansie no a no kresam ni sɛ wajira no kresam ni sɛ nipa no wajira sɛ obi wu etiefo ntie ne yie sɛ obi wu na nebusua anya no ansie no a enya akwanhyia bi na aba emposa akwanhyia kɔba wɔ eposo na yɛti nka sɛ wafiri mu ɛwɔ eposo a yɛwɔ nhyehyɛe ne amammerɛ abusua yɛ na ɛkyerɛ sɛ abusua no ati nka sɛ wafiri mu na abusua na yɛ amammerɛ ɛkyerɛ sɛ wɔn asie o empo yɛ anya bɔde no ba yɛ amammerɛ ɛkyerɛ sɛ wɔn asie o ba sɛ uwu na uwo kuo bi mu na ekuo no agi bɔde no fi abusua nsɛm na ekuo no kɔsie emunu no efiri abusua ne nsɛm a abusua no ɛnka ho a ɛno no wayera ma menkyerɛ mu sɛ nipadua na ɛwɔ hɔ no yɛ adeɛ mmiɛnsa ɛyɛ kra ne honhom ne nipadua na kra ne honhom no yɛ Awurade dia na nipadua no ɛyɛ abusua dia enti Kristofoɔ yɛyɛ kra ho adwuma nipa no a ɔte asɔre no mu no titiri paa ehia yɛn ɛyɛ kra no ɛna nipadua no nso ɛyɛ abusua dia ɛyɛ kɔm yɛ kɔ ɛyɛ bi ase a yɛ kɔ akɔsie maame bi abusua no sɛ wɔn sie nipa fɔ okoro ka nwumre enti wɔahwɛ sɛ asɔre obetumi atena ɛyɛ asefia no paa kɔpim fɔ okoro ka sɛ na makɔsie nipa na abusua no sɛ gye sɛ fɔ okoro ɛna wɔn wɔbɛsie wɔn nipa enti na wɔ sɛ asɔre nhyehyɛeɛ ne ntutuyɛ bi a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛyɛ wie a na yɛgyae emu na ma abusua no yɛgya ma wɔn atama wɔn wɔpɛ sɛ wɔkɔsie no na wɔn akɔsie wɔn adeɛ enti sɛ wokɔdɔm kuo bi na ekuo no nhyehyɛeɛ kɔburu abusua ho ɔden so na ekuo no tumi kɔyɛ kɛseɛ kyɛn abusua deɛ na ekuo no kɔnya wɔ so tumi sɛ wuwu a wɔn saa ekuo no na ɛbɛsie wo a na kyerɛ sɛ wafiri abusua no mu onipedua no afre abusua no hyehyeye abusua no ntutuye abusua na mamra ye de sie nipa ye de ye yie na fe e kire se yen yabusua yi se na ye no wafre sa ade no akodom abusua foforo ekuo foforo enti se uwa ye de amamre foforo e na eba abasio enti yesu san na ye ti se sorry bi kwa ho asa uwa ye chawo hifa na ye chawo sa ye si ansa na ye sio na ye ti sa ansem no I don't know whether no kwa na say nye no kure enti se ukodon ekuo bi sa na sa amamre bi sa ewo mu a na che se wabusua de no wafre mu enti abasa one year say you hear Genesis chapter 50 verse 25 Joseph esumuye ewo Egypt asase so enfie bebre ma obeye ti say honey nanso owu ye no wa makwan amma Egypt fo ansie no ena wa maya ansie no Egypt fo amamre mu empo okantam say the don't pen share the busia for nsa kosi say wo beko ne kurom na wo fa konkosi enti say obi ti en kan no prayer adesuade en pese yesua fi ade mu nyina ne say wo kodom kuo bi a hunu say wo fi abusua mu na wo akodom kuo no ema ekuo no ahoden emmuru wabusua ahoden so say wo a brefie say bimpanimfo kura ka say anumana musoro nso wu a sɛde etibia ne ntakra nyina aba begu fam dua agina sorosoro na haban no ewu a etifi soro ho a eba abetɔ fam enti kuntum bia nso hwan a ɛkɔ n'akyi enti onipa bia tu kwan sense na owu a ne kra eba n'akyi nipadua no ba n'akyi enti ko wu a kwantum na ye hu a ebusua ti nka ye ya amamre ne amanne a ɛkyerɛ sɛ ye dihye afre mu na ya ekire se ye de wa beka abusua ne nsa me wie kura na jakomi se ye kotena north kakra na se obi wu wo hono na se de ne ba ye kroma bia ye ntumi fa bode ne nyina mba enti ye wo party bi no ma bia ne tinwi kakra na ye twa ne boyule kakra na ye yi ne sapo a ode dware na ye yi na ye kan nyina bom na ya adaka ketuwe bi na ye de ahyem na ye di sa adaka na ba abre abusua no na abusua no asie saa de na a ekire se ye di nipa no abafie enti onipa ni na abusua wotimu de ye mfrimu ufrimu a wayira abusua different kwasiewu ekuo different kwasiewu a wayira eja ko mesa obisa me a say that in
you Eda John Teta na pay ye beda wase eni nchechiremu a odi amenti wadaroma wo eba ni say ya insunsuanso bi wa akira na ekọ hwan so ekọ nipa na wawu na na se ekọ nipa na wawu no na busua so ana se ekọ ekuo na ebesi nipa na wawu ne so
no kwese mo ye emma na mo papa ekodon kuo bi na ofrimu na yeko sienu wasa kuo no mu na ebusua na mamre enka ho na nsunsun so beba ya na mpempi no ha adwefri emba no so nsunsun so wo akire pa eja ko metumi ya ma yesan kotu funu kwa kosie o etumi ya ma se mere wo ho a ya ma funu na yesie dada no e wo se yesan kotu na ebusua sie no amamre ni amande ekwanso enti eyade ana ehu hia pa efeti hu fem ma epue hu nam fem enti se obi wu a esese ebusua etenase na ebusua esie no ebusua amamre kwanso
yo Eda John Tete ye bedo ase ne obrane wadagie ne nchechiremu a odi amaye bata sana obekọ no abusua se wutie me na wo how bi eda so na ope so fupahi bi ene na kasa empaibo kwan so na waboa wa me be ma Eda John Tete de ne number to dwa be sese obefre no ɛda deɛ no credit baako frɛ na mpaebɔ na ɔde bɛku nti woyɛ obi a wote sɛ me w'ani nye mpaebɔ ho a ɛne ma w'amanneɛ ne wɛsane nkɔ so antena wo so na mmom no ɛda do frɛ no nko ade a emu mpaebɔ ne emu fasting deɛ ɛne nneɛma ɛwɔ sɛ wonyɛ deɛ ɔbɛkyerɛ wo paa no ayɛ ɔnyɛ dinsini ɔnyɛ kɔmfoɔ ɔyɛ ɛda nti ɛda nso deɛ na kyerɛ sɛ mpaebɔ na nti amanneɛ ne ɔhaw bi ɛda wo so no ɛda John Tete ɛde ne number ɛbɛto dwa bɔ mmɔden asɛ ɔbɛfrɛ no na ɔnkae wo mpaebɔ mu ɛda wadaro ma wo number no
yo agya kome number no yɛ 0545 054265 0545 054265 into bo 0545 na wasan bo 054265 eno ano no sa beka me na yɛde nkomo na yɛabɔ mpae ɛya kumi awurade nhyira na amma empontu emra Masa FM enhyɛ awurade din ene onyam
amen amen ɛda me da se sɛ da biara da me frɛ wagye me so me da se paa
me da se
Friday morning. Max FM. 89.7.
All right, I'm saying him. Yen fast da ma Kivo hot pepper ye ka for the abobi bia se bomodi aso benya bi. Kivo. Etitru ni ma mo ye aduane e wo restaurant choba hudo nyina ye ka for the mam se munya bi e bebo amu pi. Anope mo boy sika fa mu ma ye de max morning di jumadi e bra o. Yen fast da ma mega cash lucky boss. I see en kan choose star 426 star HS network bi a wo so. Select number 2 Max Radio and which boxes about 1 to 6 nobody has ever select your lucky number 5 Ghana cedis 10 Ghana cedis near channel so the more now the more now sika ye kase impose agro dinner says can be a few mamba unya ho kwan say opon say kosoro koso ahwe Mass TV wo hwa ne afra weda fia da bia anyumre no num mega cash watch and win ne afra Bomodi asa group BDB channel so 18 years near chire. Yen fast da mama's buy. O see yen catch us bomodi ambra be PM ya share ye deposit 100 Ghana. Ye ma mobile phone na ko use in kakra. And church mu bi a channel ya media ma bomodi asa be free 0544 019 552 0544 019 552 ba na do Ghana kadaba. enti adwuma kɔ yadaro ma omo boa no pay ye the maximum in the jumadi bro must buy mega cash lucky boss kivo hot pepper and kivo garniaka no mamenko mini aba ho na onfa ne aka no enso so enfa man
kumi we de me da se bebre pa na se de ye bo aboafo a wo bo ye chidom abasui na mamenfa aseda ba konso ensan ma must buy no must buy de yini film a enye yie eba ne home appliances pa dia oh my god na mu ha uyi must buy film a enye yie na wonom afibia e kwa wie ya de promotions no wonom eye no chese segment say usika anso wa ha usika beso wa ha enti wonom e kire say afishapa promo no egusu a e koso a yati 30% discount afiri enema bi a wo pese woto eso ohamu abupen aduasa a ebo no atimi aba fom ye papa beto LG 7K twin tap washing machine na ohu ento chese eyesika kuma bi sanso na TCL eye 98L freezer eno nso so yate so ye papa Techno Spark Slim no nso so yate so sanso na Samsung A07 no eno nso so yate so a wo kire se eno na afi afishapa promo no wonum eton ede ama ahefo ene atofo esanse ebo no yate so ye papa ubetumi akọ Masba shop bia na wakọ akotobi wo kire se wo Madina Kozongo Junction Tema Community 1 Junction Mall West Coast Mall VVIP Station, Opsi Telesol, Odor Rice Area, La Paz, Saturn Building, Kaswa Takradi Fillings, Takradi Station, Sa Elso, Enada, Kuma Junction, Odor Coming Traffic Light, Wonum, Ewo Honomo, Momodiana Bora, Bia, Eben Bia, Nakoji, Yesa, or Fisher Pap Promo, Odia Winya Kwa, also a Fisher Pap Promo, Wonum, Yati 30% discount, a free soon, home to me at home. Ogusua kai amount for say eye unbeatable afano koso papa ye say buy 2 for less first yake to bi ebeto ne ma mienu esan say ewiase de hwan na empe ade a efo obia epa ade a efo na esan so eye papa enya ade efo na usika ebesan akwakokam nti wo say fa 5530 Ghana cedis ebeji TCL washing machine ene ne ketwe branded washing machine pa ye mo ne chian soko tie rubber ebi mada sanso ena Infinix Smart TV no so ene ne smartwatch ene ye nkita phone nko akeke ukita phone na asa kita ukita watch as a phone watch ene utimi peke call no kra e wo phone so utimi peke call no e wo watch so ene phone no uja no ofie kra na se call ba pe ubetimi ahwe watch ne so na wa hu nipa ko a ofre wo ama won so wa peke bomodi ana kwajibi esanse we nyina Masba ena ejema sanso ena wo se beji wo Camon o Techno Camon 40 Pro no eno so ene ne smartwatch 3170 Ghana cedis pa watch le say we unbeatable offer kra na chese esubi emada promotion mo ye nyina no we ene ye adutwamu from Masba e was 0544 019552 0544019552 and I said it's on my website www.masby.com.gh www.masby.com.gh about the Masby and dia adepa efia nebo for pa minia mamemfa we emto aso we mega cash ene dia ba wo kire se scratch for win what scratch for win nko dia na tim say yatadene esanse ene sika ho de papa ne titiru ene afia wieye chese unam kromu a yes enipa wo krom enema wo krom na so enema ne yento adan ya sika eni krom ba ya woda enoa ene ubotom na scratch for win kire se wo pese woni so ade hu eba mu na wonya sika etu ubotom wonya sika ehefie wonya sika eye adwuma wonya sika edidi wunuma bi a wo pese wo ya sika ene ade nyina bomodi anafa wo phone ehu hia se wo use smartphone ana se wo use android phone de hia ne se wo phone no sim dem a wotimi de ye call ema ne ye yie na wo fa phone na wa dial sa short code we *787 hash *787 hash *787 hash na wo dial a prompt na ebeba no Mass FM Mass TV Max FM, Max TV. Choose the open se wo choose. Se wo be choose Max FM o, se wo be choose Max TV o. Eno de e wo wa wo ho no mo. Na wo choose a e be ma options no na chese sika no e be hyase afi eye 10 Ghana cedis and 20 Ghana cedis. Na wo so sika wo pese wo die no wa bomode a choose e ho esika e be ba se 10 cedis na wo pese wo choose 20 cedis, 50 cedis, 100 cedis a sika dodo a wo be choose no eno e na e be che sika botini a ubedi na agora we say eye kama yie papa obo ekodu last end e be request omomo pin who authorize pin eno nani ti medofo bobonia na dis agora we san say asasi su ha say sika e na ye ade nyina na scratch for when so e di sika agu eye mobile phone so a de hia eno short code kumi
all right, Bruno, that's say, Maminchia, Miaminia Bema, Atuza, Oye CEO Edema Reflection Pap. Na, Obrodo Festival, Bebaso, when my papa media, Nature say, boys, niggas, ye quid, Nature say, baby back up, and I yet na. Aha, Reflection Pap. And to see where the Reflection Pap, each year no pay. And to Obrodo Festival, idea. Reflection Papa be movie ewo ne normal place no e de akọ social center no papa baby e na yeta ye no e ho na Reflection Papa be movie e de akọ ho nti boys niggas ina no Reflection Papa sha 24th December no o de akọ 30th December ewo social center ho nti ye ra na wa ha na ye san so gi ani ewo social center ho nti oba na wo hwehwe kumi humi baby na chese Reflection Pap na ja mene no ye nti bomode ambra kwaba jams no na ye de be hyase afesu wi a take me out eno so ewo mu na Freaky Friday jams ne so ejina mu Big Boys Play Night eno so jina mu Single Girls Out sada no me na me de Single Girls ni nyina be pie All Black jams so eba so na Old School Night so na ye de awie kranti no okwa ma papa mo Obrodo Festival ne nkwa da ba bia ye tena ne age ye ni no Reflection Papa tuza no pay michia o michia Max FM ye da say yo yanku ya nim na fei ye fire street vibe dwumade no entudwa na
commercial awa ye fa invoice ni bibia bra na yenko account why ade uwia na yenko why ade pa uwia
me na me ye we ya nkasa abere
oh they need different kumi so they need different kumi me na me ne ko account me ne ko client service
me chia no
na o chia no afa ho ase
me nia be ma no
na so de bo baba kwa kunu
ma be ma ma chiri ba
ayo na o chia de na me so ma me chia Dennis onu so ye CEO
eji ba bia me na me e ho de from o de
incredible security accessories and baby will be me chia na papa or sakumo no Dennis ye chia ye papa oni de ne ma papa just e ba ni CCTV cameras na dia oton e ba ne efe ye papa eni ntino omodia na se kumi upe bi a kira ho ni kire
mate se ma ka kiro se woni me nante woni me nante a adwuma no ye be ko so almost here almost to woni me nante a but almost here use ever have you almost here use ever have you
they lie bad
to say almost bomodi anomtia almost here me kwa yi a na manum times 3 no bete no
na so dey at horses
enti obasan ye bi mana obasan ye obi fo
bra empia mi nkwa wo
ba ku bi so san we kire ho ba wo de say yen kwa ye ye ni si o mani be ba ho
nti ye ya ne de be fam ba ko
infini ho no
ne de be fam ba ko ye ba fon so ade de fam ba ko no ano
bicycle so mfa so ye de
enye free
da se
no ano
enti ye kwa no aka ne sa na wo ka no ha yi
wo na kire so
ye fra wo soro ho a na waka ne sa sa
kwa mzi kumisi me nkase
ntudi ya no waka ne sa so
why me fa chia me nti chia me no mayim
yo mate me ya na mesan ya chia me
wa na mesan ya chia me
mate
woni mu onyamu nti
ya kwa nim na ya fire street vibe no ento aso emfa ma na na kra nkomo be na mo si ye den
ene wa ho
Max FM 89.7.
All right, I'm saying queer nimna yemfa ye street vibe jumadi no man tuja and then my fact me grino
go mi wa fa de
chairman
you dey chairman wa
You know, for community Jania,
na chese enne anopa yi ye bisa Drew Street Vibe no so the things baby ya ewu ye bisa se efiri wo mofra se wabura ba wuti hoyi enne mobile phone kura ba ye kura de na chese baby ya sen wati fie ya frɛ no so o metika mu wati fie ya frɛ no so o matopunu meba wati fie ya frɛ no so o menam ha ene de entro se bebrebe masa fam ye bisa se efiri bra wani firi adie anase wusi so a wo bobra asembe pa na entro ben enna wadi o tin se entro we die empuma bia enna ho a asemba menya kwan afiri mu entro ben ana asemben enna wakati se asem we die eye nkontompo sem eye dabrabasem eye kire se eniamo ho sem ya waka kire wo bia wa mu no utimu se wanye ni ye kura enti ye bisa efiri bra wani firi ye asembe na waka enya no kure anas eye entro twa odi akire wo bi amanipa no watimi ajiwadi ene ememen wo bete oh baby oh yeah my friend oh baby just bestie ene emei oh baby o can ni say enti say enso oboa obekom na wutwa ntro enti ye say entro ben ena wabrabo mu watwa pa utim ze ntro we die matwa ama me hu say me professional eno ena ene ye street vibe na enti kumi ubi sa me a na chese oyi mechia me wa ene yasemo a edaba maso eno no
ye twa ho aba ekoba na yama ho kwan na waba mu ene wadwenche ye ba sese ya.
Shot on target. Oh my word. What's the Sputnik? Through the middle. Opportunity for the Fabians. They are back in it.
Asante, Mr. Asante, what you want to
Football is back and the nation is ready. From the streets of Accra to the parks of Kumasi to every corner where passion beats louder than 1,000 drums. The Ghana Premier League returns. The rivalries, the passion, the drama, every tackle, every goal, every last-minute moment that reminds us that this is our game. The stars are ready. The teams are ready. The fans are roaring. This season, we rise together. This season, we play for glory. This season, the Ghana Premier League is back. Live on Max TV and Max FM 89.7. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back.
The streets, the heat, the energy, the heartbeat of the city pounds on one destination only. The Accra Sports Stadium. This December 24, 2025, the Ernington Music Group presents the Beam Festival 2025, the Torture Edition. The Beam President Stone Boy returns to the center stage at the biggest African party. This is not just a festival, but another historic night in the making. Tickets are going fast. VVIP 400 cities, VIP 200 cities, regular 50 cities. Dial star 714 star 2025 hash or visit beamfestival.com to secure a spot now for an unforgettable night of music, culture, and unity. For sponsorship and more info, call 0501 550 000. This is a decade of dominance, and the torch still burns bright. Stone Boy Beam Festival 2025, the Torture Edition, Wednesday, December 24th, Accra Sports Stadium. Be there. Don't see me like a fool because I don't do
Calling on all alumni. Join us every Saturday at 9 a.m. on School Connect, the ultimate platform to reconnect with your alma mater and share your founder's memory.
Let us spread great Okwasi.
Share your story.
We are the only and first college in Ghana.
The only secondary school administration board with a helipad.
It's Tema Secondary School.
Wako school near you know. You have to go to Presec to be shaped.
Revisit your school days and reminisce about your time with friends and teachers. Showcase your school ongoing and upcoming project. Inspire current students and make your school proud. Be part of the connection. Don't miss this opportunity to reunite with old friends and classmates. Network with fellow alumni.
Give back to your school community. Tune in
every Saturday at 9 a.m.
Schools Connect, where memories are revisited and new connections are made. Live on Max TV, Max FM 89.7, and online max.com.gh.
Mensa Kamekao!
Now what? So dear.
Hey, Charlie, what's it? Imagine buying your favorite gadget and driving home a sleek saloon car.
Oh, yes. With Max Buys You Shop, You Drive promo, every purchase brings you closer to amazing prizes.
Just shop any products from Max Buy between 7th November to 31st December
and stand a chance to win a sleek saloon car, TVs, smartphones, and more. Your next buy could make you a winner.
So what are you waiting for? Shop now and let's make your dream drivable with Max Buy.
Max Buy. You shop, you drive.
For further enquiries, call Max Buy on 054 401 9552. Terms and conditions apply. Approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Watagwan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. Warat!
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. 'Cause reggae's
89.7 will roll, will rock. Max FM, what do you Okita say?
Maji tina me dane di wunji di misibisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi pe be aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM koswa fili masaya
Kumi kasa eye baako pe edino eye baako pe menkensne kwasi ada untumi fa duadan so untumi fa bladan so kumi ututuka ututudam utututam wajibam watufie watubum watutodan obaje bam betuka kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew.
Welcome to Friday morning. Max FM. Max FM. 89.7.
Oh, I hold my tree, leads a referendum by it in yeah, I said, never see what I said. Hello, many you know. It's incommensurable after like I say, my kind of I am a suina. Never be so what I say, and I will see you. Never casa hello, casa la china. Tell me so come but don't them baby. Hello, casa na marco. Tell me so come telephone.
All right, Jamsi, I am Akwaba. Max Morning Dew, live on Max 89.7. Yes, I see no panusia, no panon cronia so this so. I think I do a feeding at I am Akwaba, a friend Kumikasa. Mene miaminia bad, the beautiful Grino. DJ Holly, I ran the choir, and producer, a friend Mr. Bobby. Emra so say ye de ye street vibe dwumade ne beto aswede ama o. Ye fe ho aseda ma Kivo hot pepper ye ka fo dia bo bibia se bobode a waduane bia wo ye dwumade bia wudi se wo nu aduane e de ma restaurant ana se choba ye ka fo Kivo hot pepper dia ma se bobode a fa bi di dwumade nyina na beboa o. Adapa mo boan sika fa mu ma ye de ye street vibe dwumade no ebro na na enkomo ne yetia wa ye bisa se entruba na watwa ma ye 3D ye 3D ano dene wa onim se entruba watwa ntro no but na hu hia se samre die mentwa ntro ya e de asemeba entruba na wadie mo se wa da odi ntro no but wa yam sanhye wa twa ntro mo se yes ntro die metwa ba na sa ntro no so na hu hia wantwa nso anka de asemba ye ya bomodin aton safre ye nuaba Tina say omra na omeboa or a resource person e de mayen komo yesan say entro de Tina ya de papa onimuntru twa enti ye be hyase e de fitina ho entro be na Tina watwa ma ye entro de me ya na metwa so me yema hyeme ba na ye entro a oh yes the boy international man me bro what what transform say 3D e entroba na hu hia pa say
kumi
enti ene we a resource person resource person because entro there
obi e twa bi pen
ye yitina ansana nkaifo na ba
okay ene say Guinness Book of Records fame say dem
ono be boa
na yetimi yankukwan ye be fa so ye be twa ntro
Tina hyase entro be no watwa wa no won say antro we de matwa ma me am ye ma hye me ba na ye entro na hu hia say wo say wutwa
ya kwesi we de ano ye din enso me ano me pentro twa nyame no kwen me twa ntro
da ma okọ presby
wana me ko
basre
me twa ntro da entro dem because we are near the me shase say na me ni say green no
kai with you
and trouble could be na child school na a science teacher be and na me ana me sheda anya de tino oba exams ya theory obe bobo na hese wa wanya adin we gbaw nti me kan say me ko washroom aba me ameka me hu say me ana me nya tete say me anya ade e wo meet me mbo me we ni ha ba de me anya ade nti me pie say me ko washroom aba no na mba na me friend say say pacho me ken na yere eni na me say pacho wifi e wo inside mati so kem Matiso kem say uhiambwa timpacho na mtimba be kacho na me kai pana papa we yam she no so say dey am say me ko washroom me yama be say me ko dormitory na matiso wife e kem pa we inside one timpacho say ubet me akakoye bibi afa ene me kai na no dey ni book bibi ato was a class prefect share to them and then no chair so I'm try me cha enye no correct so far yes na okoye no na ere so ni ho no oba back where is Justina you need her cry no me say a house perfect and I me call me a house mistress so I can say oh it may be no be my level 100 for nana man go inside of you so fine try me say me cha enye no correct I won't come with me say that kasawa
green oyentio
o say
entro nyina adwaso
ene mini kumi akachi entro nyina adwaso me green onu kumi akachi okay me kaya me best TV je na o twa no ho kakra enti na ne guy ayenim no guy no wo me number enti girl na nye smart na eja oye yi na no kwasem ne say adwuma no na mhyehyɛ Enti
no Bettina ana okay.
Una mshisha adwuma. Ni ma mi akasa kwa na mshisha adwuma no. Mi ana nyese Bettina keke. Mi ana mshisha adwuma ni nyina. Enti yakoba na say girl no call the first date no. Wa mama ne.
Oh okay.
What you say?
Ase mashisha de ama na wo ko wan
kanche wa mama ne. But guy ne friend no na lady ni so oba me ho.
Oh okay.
Yes. Enti me mama dream bomb me fast. And I'm so you cry no yes see a girls outing nti me cry me expect no nti no so waka say oba me ho dia ene no kore ene no kore
agility
oh yeah
eno ani gi no anu wa ye
ene no kore eti later na me friend girl no so oni ni pass mesi nipa na me nim no oni ne na ekopie kope baby tina ye ni ade na me so at least bibia ni a wa mama hu no ma hu kwan ya me fa so Mekano. It's no we white lies. As I say, and trocroji, we bonnet.
You.
But I know you and one you.
Your bonnet and your bonnet.
I didn't know for so.
And your bonnet.
I didn't know for so.
Tell you, we
na 70.
No papa, mama, me back.
No, papa back.
You. Enti yeda mase, yebekwa hamane so na yetienia. Ebusuafo so
na answer na bekwa ahoma no so won trobe na so adwa
meshia gebi na ne nkomo mu nyina na ose onye ready so ne be ma wawade betwempana ti meshia no ana meka chense me nwade okay ana ho kwan ba mu ti e kire no hu se
wawade
also adentina waware na wan kanche na mso we do fan chem na me refi se my head
wawale
ma wale
refi se wawale
na won she kawa no
o se kawa ne de se kawa ne de se
ye yito
ye timi de ye ya kan wa
zada no ye ya
oh ye
wanu wase what do fuma wu de
oh me di fuamu
Brasai.
Oh, but the fuamu be 3 and so no hu se ma ware kura.
What should go there?
Mu na won kai se wa ware.
Na men kai. Ti o chem na se na me kai.
O kai se wa ware.
Say na 26 October bi na
na wale.
Na so di on fan chem na me refi.
No amodi ade.
Oh, edilai.
Edilai.
Na duabo amafa.
Ebenya hu no na kire se. Di aji kan nya hu no kure nya dada.
Kumu de ya no
se. Na kumu ewu akwa ba bi ma wo ma bi emu. So na nyina ya boni bia wo.
Me baba no ma ye kashioko.
Where dey?
Kashioko.
Ti we kura wa ye.
Me baba mafu adua.
Na so do kura adua wi.
Yo 0551598321. 0551598321. And I say 0550055522 0550055522 0551598321. Yentie ne abusuafo so ewoka maachie
ya no ya okumi
ona buni o
bikasi ni o
ona buni o
bikasi ni o papa gino ni o
si mini baby a woni kumi ni mu komo
ona gino na you see how we say da kumi e bia wa tumi amadwuma a won so be program me fra fa de
ene wa wasem wa wo ho ene wa wasem wa
ona bo ana pet say
ya me aduma ye na mo so e
ho adum ye ho ye mini abenti o
ana won say ma no ti won no mo to mo ka okoto de na boje 89 nini aba na support no say de green o ye ni ye so ehun ayo emme man ka meka se ya boja man ya ye de aye ni nye ne da se kumi mi de mi obi epurufu o me ma ni firi kuma se ba akra
oh
o se lo fe ba akra sa ko e
asamba na aka ne sa
mi kan tro ka che yes sister ba ko yare pa di baby o da ni nye o ba na
ai o so ye na epurufu
transportation and I say.
Yes, into na utua transportation na nipa na ne tua ye. Afim.
On sambre bi ni ehu ni otua transportation.
Ana. Iyo. Ya te onabu yeda se, why? Yeda se, why ade?
Tumi mo bi fa car free.
No bodu ya.
Kumase
bankran. Yes, ka to over 500 cedis. Ka me bodu ya.
Na so wadwuma bi ya wanye.
Iyo.
Edua bokran ka be che, me dey ka me mbo ni dua.
Na bende.
Na Awurade Nyankopɔn. Ensembo ha yenka wo.
Sawa. Ka be twa so ada manana. Ebe so se me dome o. Edi o.
Edua bobi onu ma
ebe se de kumi die di lai. Ebe di lai san.
Na
ebe du pa na. Ayi. E asemo.
0550055522 and I say 0551598321. Machine.
Yenya.
Bra kwa mi anope te sen.
Nyame na dom. Na wo se.
Ihu adom ye ho ye pa.
Mini Abraham o ye.
Eja na dom bra kwa mi.
Ye da Nyankopɔn ase. Na afiwe mo de me kon.
Na apese okon bra kwa mi.
Oh, baby, I'm with him.
Oh, once I will bear a yin tin yet. You don't go as so small. Why?
I said,
Would him, Kumika?
Macadam.
What's it?
Kumisi, or some can't you say, don't come watch it. Or some can't you say, don't come watch it.
I said, what was that one? One of the Kumisi
say, Brunya by it and Becco also see it and become watch Sunny Yadi.
There's a one that enjoy one acre.
Kumika,
Many of them. Me fan out of Hey.
Kwame. Shabon someone named Osha Kwame met me a castle we actually.
Yes, it's Ronipa just a man.
Wow. Kwame, I'm not paying you.
O de ma mencha me director adumera me chia wa no pe afisiapa enkomo any obusia for na any life worship any etifo any impany for etie dwumadie na Mr. Koda baby bia obi a me chia anope any mo am wo stadium na me chia mo edada ni de me metia ka say Edu baby I de badu everybody inside. Mense madada obisa ama nipa na fakaba. Ofri edibiafi. Ana misiwo you want a gate. Sam call you. Don't no buma faka. Ana si wa jina mi gate. O jina mi gate ambe. Me na gate o so jina mi gate. Maybe a gate here nipa na ni. Ana say oh when me sundae. Mina me share hoy. Edu baby sa enye de.
Iyo. Kwame anapai yeda se edu baby a eyede. Edu baby so a enye de. 0551598321 0550055522. Machine.
Hello.
We dey yeje o.
No.
I saw me the instrument.
Instrument for Finfa.
I saw Bawi.
You. Instrument and a pay yentie way, and true ben a wet child, my wounds and true dear, a kick me.
I saw me, we are taking this okra.
Oh, swear,
we are cooking nam dish okra. Yes, and Yadana, okra, your crumful.
We ni pakra.
Yes, I'm good to what.
Oh, we are going to be so okra.
Okra dasi, why?
Okra no dasi. Nehe fanesra na yase.
If I try to say.
Yes, so.
Okra na dasu ho.
I try.
Kopane chow, why?
I so much.
Na after that no unsu ti say okra.
I try na you me so okra.
Suba kuna yentie. O say suna etie.
Maybe I'm not in peace.
Enti susa double suna etie. Na kraman so.
Na kraman.
Anope wafu aduro no.
Enya adwuma.
Ensuma yeda ase ye beba besra wo gbawe ho why?
I say you only a beautiful green I'm not say I want my stress.
Yes,
Wajimi. Odi odi no wajimi.
Ye jimi nti me boy.
Me pe mo asempa.
Yeah, that's it.
Man so do ta pe ma sama me agom ya o.
I love you.
Hey,
what today?
I love you. Oh dear. Oh, ejina mo na de o de na mo ye.
O de na mo be to ne nche. Yeah, nsoma.
O bete benka.
Ene dre wan kona.
O bete o kakanka. Eya unima ko bisa ma ye.
Na wonya na obi se.
Oni mo ko bisa se.
Mayere.
E woni oyira do beti me bisa no.
Anopa se obi se I love you and then nyame ase. Anopa se.
Ene se na wi ase ne keka ko no Christmas ba oba ka cho say I love you awoji na di.
Oh, card be man nti ana.
Na den.
Christmas ba oba di I love you I say I love you too.
Na ye den.
Me dey say dey.
Kakra be man nti ana.
Di Christmas ni wi ana.
Bra sa ye di Christmas ni wi ana be dey.
Ansana me ka say I love you too. Enti nsoma de koso atie Christmas me ba 5th January me ba be kan I love you too ni bi a kire why na say dey me nya ho. Ma che hwan nie?
We dey go attend.
Ata.
Yes sir.
Where did you not pay?
Oh, you not pay watermelon na over the bed. And pay the minute watermelon na bed.
Yo, ata yentie o entro be na watwa ma. Uye ma show ba santro na hu hia pa.
Oh, me and Sana can better there. No, over the pay na small one. Na mentna one. And na right na can over the next and ya den ya and me. But the ticket man. And don't let them say I am ya and they are from nature.
And you not just say mo de adwomet mo na ya heaven there mama no wa hu. Yeah. All right, ata yeda se why mo say na ya heaven na mama na sense mo de oba na see no parking crown still and as my worried say
we oba na no parking.
She
Unim parking ko do a we obi asi.
Eh kumi.
Me pa chao.
Kumi afi foforo na ebesimu yo.
Me pa chao.
E wo se wo sesa.
Oh, na se me ma sesa.
O jina mo ko so bewu.
Oh, Debbie, mintimi ngina mu nkosi se me bisa.
Yes, I saw we untemu.
Lumba kura wu na nyame.
Ai.
Lumba.
Also wu ye so hunya. Ni we na ti se hu ye. Emba e bia so ne na e bia so ne ha ne e twe.
On fa ne sa.
E wo bia da wu.
Ose sa na e be.
Asa ko obaji din. Obaji.
Na mo no wa hu. Ni alumma ye na mo bo na yi. Hwe ye mu bi wa hu je se din na ye nje ye. Ye bo e hu mo de je alumma o.
Kanya ne.
Ye mu bi ye bo e hu mo de na hwe din na menye ye anka ma mi wu a mo bete.
You go see you go know.
Na alumma de no ye ye.
Onye hwe.
E ma ayi no mienu no.
Nye.
Anza.
Na nka o de o ha.
Hey, kumi
ye be twa kakra wo bi abefa ne de.
Wanye
kumi wasa ba bi mo esam ye ndu kan nu na kan pese mbusa o ona boni am pese mbusa say anye bia ya wo ye tie program yi
ona wo ka ji nsem
ela se azo am go 31st ya ye ko be comedian
asile
enti ubisa say me yiri tie mi program ana ya tosu mi enu bisa se 31st me ko bia na
ma for 31st ya me kwa sorry we ko bia na
pa cho mate ko
so
eti na me yiwa no na
so na bukra ji nsem
we bisa ma sem pa
ona we bisa asem o se de bisa asem ndi we yiri ti abrabo na mu o kobo yire de mum de wafaka o
ada wakai wo bibia na
me na mafaka na so
ono na afaka wo ya de so papa
yes ebeni
me na makofa de so
ya de so papa we wanya ho aboto babu akum
ye hwe se ye benya 2 course enka ho na yemfa ofre dwumadie no NC 0551598321 0550055522 0551598321 ye din komo na ye bisa se entru be na watwa ma wa se ye entru de matwa entru de matwa papa but na ye entru a na ho hia se e wo se wuntwa na wunya wuti endidi mu entru ben na watwa ma wa se yes watwa entru. Your numbers in here 0551598321 0550055522. Match here.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Godfred
F. Mpacho radio no osro kakra wadaroma. Why? My radio nimra from kakra. Mpacho F. Finfa. All right. Mini abema yintie wa no pay.
I'm sure my son is go school. Na sise me ba ku ye. Na me ka sense media mayale na me di mi su me fi atu the agbo bia ba do mi so na me yale. Ano ne nso amasada.
On trade in see heaven kwan but why are there why are there you Godfred Kosweti ye da se anopa bi ye da dwada kosi ni fiada no pa no nsia why ne Kofi Bubuashi. Kofi yentie wontro no.
Metron ge na me ya da na mpene na da ba ko. No ne me.
O se dan.
Na ge bi ana me pen. Ena maya farmer means every time and throw na me dada na your dad and mom.
Iyo. Ena de ma wa hu. Ena ekosi sen.
Ena me di.
Nti wan ware no.
David.
Yo, Kofi yada se, why? Yada se. O de ne sa ada kroni abodu ya no awutim. Kwa akoda do biba ene na kwa asan free radio so eka sa
ya bodi ya
o fama ho enya assemblyman enya MP enya hwe
o salai na ya na edi ade
na den
edi ade nkwa na ya moji
ya je den
edi ade nkwa na moji
assemblyman na obi sei
say ebia wo serious girlfriend and now fiancé na wo say kodada obi di ade a
akoda ya boa
o say dey
akoda ya boa
sa wo
akoda nye nipa
ndi de o ka kire me no
o ye wasam na meka akoda nye nse nipa
yo
why
ndi ne krakra ne say
nti akoda nye nipa
nti ne krakra ne say me ya akola
o me nka sa me say
nti asem na me bu say nti wo didi na yi
ma me fa me last caller Machie.
Yeah.
Aja wadaro ma hwan ni?
Mato Kwame ni.
Kwame.
Asan baby.
Enye Kwame Frefinfa, enye Kwame no.
We Kwame fresh achimota.
Okay, Kwame anopa yenti wadaro ma.
Okay, probably am try lady bi am ti say madam for bi kope na o say onu de on pe ma wa wale. And I'm huncha. I also some paper my wallet. Now area more boys or morning before me man. Then I say meet me fa. And I ja. And Mrs. So me trying to throw. Say ja me wallet. I'm a wallet over back that, but me chance say me wallet. And I girlie a woman and I ja. And then she show. But it's no over who say na my wallet and I'm grateful. But I could see a channel or no, they say, Bema on any date, Bama warrior or own collateral. Me himself own collateral. into ona me try no so me try but anya me ya because she say oni bema wa wo tre ene ware and it what you say.
Oh, you know me. You Kwame yeda se why?
Yako be nya sa na beba wo na da bridwa wie ntini dia be ya na ayi.
Then I'm on your
na mi bi se kumi ya.
Kumi then I'm on your because your shop papa story I know they no similar. Into then I'm on your free mo try and throw na my ye mo can say see say no akumi munya dey free.
Say ma empe no cre.
Wan e ka kire o.
Mema so empe no cre.
Who told you say ma empe no cre? Wan e ka kire obi o be ka sa asem ni bi aboa.
Ma empe no cre.
Anything I remember.
All right, yeah, that's it. Yeah, fire come is ya do bibia se wa ba mu adwenche onim dia wa boa me come ya bedun pempen so yeah, that's it. Yeah, fa Nana Boro.
Ah well, aujourd'hui c'est la fête. On va gâter le coin. Kiobit, on y va. Tout le monde est présenté vos chansons s'il vous plaît. Voici votre SK original Nana Boro. On va gâter le coin.
Your friend no Nana Boro 2010 and anyum we buy ye. Anyum we buy ye na fe ye hu nipa anyum no ene dia. Nana Boro say anyum no ene dia. SK Blinks. SK Original so say ene dia. Ye besin na anyum we ye hu ni wura.
Nana Boro wai.
Ono dia wanya ni sika bi nti ono dia anyum to ono dia. Ono dusted o.
Or the mam nchirimafo
oh was no enyom no de ja obetwa so no abusu ofim no abusu a enye kakra omo osika nkasa
okay
nti ono no
bebe jidi o
2010
7 afemu mama
ye wo mu nyina ne se na nyom no SK Blinks oye Togolese but no abetena Ghana o da bi Ivorian.
Okay.
Okay. Enti I took one I think say move back. Eno abetena Ghana. Enti no de nyum na badada. Ono no nyum no abontin dada but angidin.
Okay. No Nana Boro.
Enti Nana Boro te no. Eno so challenge nyum we de. Me pese yenye no fofo.
Okay.
Enti obest spicy.
Obest spicy eno ne tribute ekasa ye satana Nana Boro na sika on nsam na ye kobo ne foforo na SK Blinks start ye na Nana Boro be ye ka 7 vim afi mo mama vim okay baby
we man feel me
pasha rap say eyi o say enyum ne ye ne dia 2010 ye de nyum ne di ani a besi ne ye hu nipa
enyum ne ye ne dia
na enyum ba konso e no so e hu ba asem a besi ne ye hu enyum ne wura eni enyum we
Let's go. This girl, she dey love boys too much. This boy, he dey love girls too much. This girl, she dey love boys too much. She be what?
Debio, where ye stage de ne ye nkonko a. Aha, no ne eduoji. E boy no. Sanya ni ni. Enya ni ni where ye shashi wo. But eno ne ye nkonko a. Ni oba no mra. Omra. Ene ye nkonko a. Mpato ye nkonko no wo. Yen konkwa no na ho ba asem sanum na ye eduoji enyum
okay
ba na eduoji na afi na ofefe ba na stage no ye na owo dada sata na afi na temafo no agidin pa nti no no owo dada nti ye no stage enyum no
se be ye ne dia
yen konkwa na obra so be ye den ebeji fire
na stage style nya no afi ura style aba
ye de chili yo me say unu aduane kra na otini we ya o say pause aduane no na umma moves kakra yenum we
yen konkwa
oh me come true na bi so de ye niama se ye nkonko de na ye nkonko a
better get good up my channel I go first I know better
enyu me wo ho e de atie fo mfa nche me serew me mama no baby ye interpretation na ebi mo ya misinterpreti no on say enyu bia e ba ebi mo to mo so mo version na we dey me serew atie fo mfa nche what have you guys with Tani bi ani ko enu mo nyam se hey that's what so up and young quadria 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 denye da kapi alimanesano alimanesano denye da tubi alimanesano alimanesano denye da kapi alimanesano alimanesano denye da tubi alimanesano alimanesano nama masidama nama masidama Sonu se wa boda masidam Sonu se wa boda masidam nama masidama na eno na oka no o se sonu se wa boda masidam okay enti na ye isi enti ma mo de ni we sa nyina ya bodam no baba da mate na mi ni me na me ka kuminso a enti enyu we so besi nne ye hu nipa enyum ne dia eno si enyum ba kwantokwa eba ho pa we si emede we so si emede we so si emede we si emede besi nne ye hu nipa enyum no ene dia na I think say rough and smooth and so any guru enyum bi send your fire na enyum no so later no na guru ese enyum no ye nenyum okay interesting later na guru say enyum no ye nenyum o de kobo show say o Gambia ne Gabon okwa ye ni interview o say enyum no ye ne dia we feature a rough and smooth send your fire any
looking for bread and butter. I want some biscuit fana, but you shaman nene hammer. Na no yummy we shame, we then now we shame. It's your time for when you do. When I may or come in, Jehovah, and your fire.
enti anyoma konso a eno so eho ba asem a besi ne ye hu nipa anyom no ene dia sa anyom we na ya na minim ne chese ye nyina ya kwahye dam ye wie nyum na ye se ye ba akosi ye media we si ye media
se wo ho ya na mo satan dia ehete no ene na ya na o mo ku hu no because o pe eno na o media elevate ne nti definitely obi abeye claims
asemo
asema kandi
yo yenkwe ni mu na yemfa ni akanyina ento aso emfa ma Max Morning Dew live on Max 89.7
to be the later when I come out. Rough and smooth, non kegu. From my top to my job, you Versace. You be bent down with Mr. Cratchy. So you used to do, I get you set. You used to do that, I think the guest. Bless you, anybody who will try you, hello, baby. It's because of you I sing. Thank you for attention. On a part to my phone, they ring. Oh my baby, it's because of you I a single. Thank you for the attention. The part to my phone the ring go. Calling my phone just to check on me or desire my attention.
Checking on me 10 times in a day. All this area, my attention. Oh, my baby never driving me sense. So focus on beyond our blessing. Allow me never scatter my brain. They can focus on life prediction. I'm gonna be the best I'm into you. And if you are some to a best, come in need time for love. I don't want my
your friend is Stongy. All right, I'm saying, come if you tell. Yane gospel artist your friend no Root AJ eba betwetwe enkomo nti ebese se obeje brani adaje na waka ho kosi se yebedi enkomo yi awie yen hya hye your friend Root AJ you don't know eba betwetwe enkomo Mommy I no pay to say
Crystal adom me ho ye mpacho nso e
you who adom ye nso e ho ye pa Mommy who of a pa o mpacho awade
pa
oh why na di manim say why na di manim say
why your fast
we di anka anya hwe mpacho na uni ba bia bia nso anka ode no
mpacho da bi me na me last girl ajeta
But say family no back menya back could be or to say wa obia mommy answer them was no
I mean that's the honest truth obia come na na me last girl and two boys neck woman omo yina nso obia me adom obia taking
me man ya no mo nseme but me hwese na ho ofe na anka menya back bi o abusu ma na anka wate manim kakra
oh but also uncha pa
ba me man nseme me da se
almost all mama o
omo nse omo mama nseme nso all right anapa ya mu akwa ba biem
yeah
mpacho ukunu ye sofo wa hu
me pacho da bi on ye sofo
say ya na gospel artist na ya na mota wade asofo pa antina
nye omunyina
ye bisa ne say
pacho nye omunyina is a God fearing man but on yes of
mpacho bibia boko de
Kristo kan yo
na anyum to adwuma akosan
boko nyame adom
bibia dadin manya ho kwan ahwe videos ahodo e wo YouTube o gisika pa o
ya de radio ase na fa I mean odi ababedu there's always a beginning to everything radio daroma na ya bedu where we are now yes
ska wo mukakra
oh it's okay it's okay
anka ye nyamedwuma yi nanka ya de ache ana
oh nyamedwuma na ye no nso no sabi osikana na ye de ye nti se wo kwana sika nka wa fuel a obeto nkofo a ne won bekwa akwaye edwuma ne nyina ese obomodin a make sure say obesorti obia nso nti edwuma na take care of itself nti sikana na ye de ye
inti se pa de yehia rutaje o dwumade bi ase a obaje kakra
gide eno an na de yebeko eno an na ye de beto fuel no eno an so na some of the instrumentalists no edwuma omo ya no nti eno an na ye betchechem e de ama obia and then so wo friend nipa ne so mba programmer sabi you say owo ne cubicle no mu no on car say or ye program okay nti anytime omo planning for program bia no
you make sure say nkrofo no so a okofa omo efi baby omo wo no e de won ba ba twa adwuma ne ho no make it can say something available for them. Yeah. Be take care of omo nyina so yes.
Rutaje feeling it saying say why star wonama Rutaje na ekono gospel artist Tonyom Rutaje feeling it saying
I'm still a moon anyway depending on the sun to shine but it's been amazing and not say be a hu na ye frefro but the fact that adiana wo ye no it make a lot of impact in the lives of people the energy fofro eba so be shia obi no aka say oh me tie wonyom sa I remember last week Sunday me ko program bi e wotema na me to up sana nipa na me betena na nche no he is actually a follower. Normally I don't call them fans, he's a follower. Into any bomb I say hey Wuni now you have no idea the impact your music have made in my life till date. Now if I started to say some of the songs are wait see I say my follower and let me say I say me testimony can I say catch them but you know there were a lot of noise because now your auditorium no into your to mention into you must say what say what me say Christo a lot of things obi shia me na okan no momu kire me a ma me ne je say djuma na wo ye ni nyina no it is making a lot of positive impacts in the lives of people.
Na onam say obia hu ye bodin Rutaje just say star pa udufia wa what the same say na oni abusua ne ye because e bia say na bia abonten for be so e be hu na bia na afie na ankoye sa na no o fa ne sen.
Okay, everybody in my family sings. Nyame adom obi or my family mo bia omoto nyom. Me nkan kwa chiri no my elder brothers mo say almost started with Winneba Youth Choir. And omo abepie.
Me podi na ka me ka aba one daddy ntem o fie say na wo on top me sure say daddy the silence person na ja what did you change daddy?
Okay. All right, I won't say your Bible people see us as in quote out of a better term celebrities and what but who fear we yere nti who fear say we ye die say we asire ti say bia
to senior man nyina anu aduane
me ye bria aduane po dey is one of my hobbies
mo be fam nyina
me ye bria be anything you can think say or yere eye wo fie bia me ye yes I do
oh na say na ye hu yanka daddy nso hu sa nanka
he appreciates the erade edua me mu onim say me a preacher okay and then by right ye nyum to for gospel yina erade asem na ye ka e fa nyum to mu but me do fear enye ho na me be expect say me kun say me ba say ne ankofo bo me asafo here bia wa bonten no sa na e ba be ye me even though oye kra no mpo a e say me hu say you know sometimes I say differentiating your wife shape from your stardom okay into some me fear and then me yere
that's opese Ghana for enkai Rutaje say hwan obeye dem ma Ghana music.
Okay, for one that propagates Christ in every little space. And then my main motto making Jesus proud in every little space. And you know, say oyo bia who wear the Christ of Jesus everywhere you see me, and even in my music, I say a preachy. All right, and that is one thing I would want to stand out for. Say even in my message is not diluted. One who projects Christ in every little space you find yourself. Yes.
Why no favorite secular musician?
I don't have a favorite secular musician.
I didn't
because me nibi.
Oh.
Yeah.
Does it mean say untie secular musicians no?
No, I don't listen to it. Just say bia who trim. No what to say bia ye but say bia me fear.
Say Shatawale, Sarkodie.
No, I don't listen to them.
I didn't know untie omonyom.
Because I don't listen to them.
I didn't you already been here now.
No, one say music is spirit. Okay. And then the more you listen to something, the more it has a certain level of impact in your life.
Okay.
So even with gospel songs, there are certain songs I listen to.
Wow.
So it ministers to my spirit. I listen. Once you feed on that, until I listen to it. So even if I'm not driven to it, hardly do I listen.
Until secular song be a crowd. Just say be a
yes. Yes.
Wow.
And me a kid. Me papa ye suffer. God rest his gentle soul. Even from home, ye mokra na wate. Inti train up a child in a way he should go no.
Wow.
A statifi baby. Into winning yen and one konokra any umu say you listen to certain songs and for a positive impact be embawa bravo. That is how it's been.
Wow. Hey, you. New song out the abano your friend is saying.
Mighty God.
And come over na idea when you name.
All right. Nina talks about how great I radi eye. To the beer. As a matter of fact, there's a song I existed, but there's a verse.
Okay.
Yamia do mother do me one morning after devotion. Na me bompire about certain things. And I just meet melody no. Say, have you seen the hand of the Lord breaking barriers and setting captives free? Medie, I call him the mighty, and he's a mighty God. Into the melody and the lyrics ni na babo. Into me start to say me tono. Then the Jesus is the mighty God. Eba count. Let me say, okay, you know what? There's a complete song.
Wow.
Yes, and so that's the whole story behind it. I actually say, Christo, to me, you know, you know, radid.
About Bontian chair.
And Chair Bebre, I think it's just about a month ago.
Feedback in it saying.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Video can home.
If I try video can home.
Title ni biom.
Mighty God.
Yentie.
Right.
Right.
Everybody clap your hands with me. Yeah! Yeah. One more time. You want to help and testify.
Have you seen the hand of the Lord breaking barriers, setting captives free? Have you seen the hand of the Lord breaking barriers, setting captives free? I call him the mighty. It's the mighty. It's the mighty, mighty God. My Jesus is the mighty. It's the mighty. It's the mighty, mighty God. Say, have you seen the hand of the Lord breaking barriers, setting captives free? Say, have you seen the hand of the Lord breaking barriers? So I call him Jesus is the mighty God. He's the mighty, mighty, mighty. My Jesus is there. He's the mighty. He's the mighty, mighty God. Woo! Jesus is the mighty God. He's the mighty God. Jesus is the mighty God. He's the mighty God. Yeshua is the mama. He's the mighty God. Jesus is the mighty God. Mighty God. Everybody bow before him. He's the mighty God. All the mortals bow before him. He's the mighty Casting crowns, lifting hands, bow before him. He's the mighty God. Everybody bow before
Your friend,
him.
Ruth Ajay. Mommy, only way my church here can be just.
Me just got here.
Mommy, you know the papa.
Me dance boss, me dance pa.
Oh, there be mommy can't cry.
Oh,
and you know there.
We were trying, me am there.
Hey,
we were there dum.
Mommy, and you know there.
Me dance boss, me dance.
Mommy, why are there to do?
We patch me dance.
Hey.
Thank you.
When you sure say other African countries cry, nature say.
Oh, thanks to God. And I had a feedback from South Africa.
Sure.
Or the not tour within the space of just 30 minutes, over 10,000 views. I'm like, wow. Until you the idea say for where I would
wow. Now, mommy said na English near more or reason the same.
Okay,
say
right. My hear a lot of tree songs.
Okay.
On say I say you try na you cut it across.
Okay.
even though ye three songs no cry in the video say na ye trotro they be your more monte ye kasa no e beti ase but audio no say na to the bia na wo pese wo balance no before we my we yesu and I'm release erade ye into say the bro for kakra so be film na e cut boundaries so e ya na eboa
am pan so e buy ne so no a cut boundaries eh mommy enyum na de yenye de biom na ye ni nkom kakra
e de obeka wi am gine
enyum na de o e de papa
Everybody clap your hands with me. Yeah! Shabu Yibo. You. One more time. Shabu Yi. Money that day. Money not that. Shabu Yibo. You want to help me testify. Hiya.
Welcome to Friday morning.
The hand of the Lord, breaking barriers, setting captives free.
Max FM. 89.7.
Breaking barriers, setting captives free. I call him the mighty. He's the mighty. He's the mighty, mighty God. My Jesus is the mighty. He's the mighty. He's the mighty, mighty God. Say, have you seen the hand of the Lord breaking barriers?
Mommy, me yasini. But unum we die.
Aba unu wa ba Yesu o.
Me nyam fa da wi mesro mommy. Me nyam fa me homa no so. Wow, mommy.
Yes, boss.
Once aduma ya ye. Ye ne adwontofo ahodo pi. Atwetwe nkomo. Nti enwom de ye tie pi.
Me patcho.
Nti ye tie nwom. But unum we die mommy.
Wow, boss.
Me nsusu ama ye fa gronto nti.
Oh wow, really?
Serious mommy.
You should get
enwom na de.
Patcho Medals. Big ups to my brother and so me feature Shadrach Mensah.
Oh, okay.
Yes, on now or started what to say Obi Kambo boy here. Yeah, Shadrach Mensah. God bless you wherever you are, bro. I mean,
the video no abonting.
Me patcho I on YouTube cry.
Obi a pebia.
Ubenya just search my name Ruth J on YouTube. We won't say oh, nyame adom so ya hit over 100,000 views cry. Yes, and just search our name there. Now also journey asan.
Wow,
what are two from?
Oh, mommy. Me kradanka me sachen say you.
Oh, so
obi bo medua na. Mama sama ye obi bo medua me de asaje ne ge. E na obo medua. O anka me sapa. Mommy awade e den wa hu.
Oh, enye den, e understanding. E say mo na motem ho ase. Ne ade a wo ye no nso. Nipa net se de wo ye na ase. Na me nso net de o ye na.
Say ya na say unuanom gospel artist for no and be woman na say masini ni kunu o magya ni ade nti na me bisa ne sa no.
Okay, I won't say me nya omo experiences ne da. So I cannot talk for them. But anytime I want to say be go through some of the troubles now. You listen to maybe new money be a way chira. Definitely better obenya atesem ne ade ni bi. But who the say you pray for them. Now also be sure the no so ye na could do that level.
Mami amanfo say na say new gospel artist aba. Mo handwriting and to say mama Esther nom ne empenfo na e hyase na mo kyerem say na say mo de no mo kan ye ma ba kumienu miensa bi bo ani a na twa repeat sa ya say mo nsam no emu ha kakra.
Okay, it anope wuti enyum net say
emu ye
all the
emu ye
as also so I can only speak for myself.
All right, Grino. Yene ye mame ye nuaba ye bibia rutaje na etwetwe nkomo no nenwoma de papa.
And go see enwum na say one tie ni ya beka say Nigerian song. Beka say Nigerian song. It was they said the other na me catch Mr. Chef no. O hwa na nipadua na hwa enwum na. Tie ni na ti say ebobra. It's a very nice song. It's a very nice song. So oba we the mama Mrs. Eji. Going forward, no, why now person share ni we say only near collaboration na.
Okay, I'm actually looking outside. Okay. There are certain people There's a lady, my friend Leandria Johnson. She's in the States.
Okay.
I've listened to her story. Minya or no. I would be very grateful.
Leandra,
yes, her name is Leandra Johnson.
Na jentufu bebre organa when you be an nanya.
Okay. Many ebinum why songs. Okay. I be out. Nyame adoma next year. Yes.
So why na so far on na ye
Okay, so in the past, many Eugene Zuta, many I think Kobe Mante, many Igwe, Minister Igwe. I think at the beginning it is all about same old God, many Minister Igwe. I song. And ye knew so no. They ever maybe January before the album comes out in the first quarter. My big sister PCA, and I song. Okay. Yes.
PCA star.
Yes.
Oh wow.
And then there's another song I'm working on with MOG. Okay. Yes. Into Ghana, there, yeah.
That's a man does man.
Oh, not really. Okay. And after you had prayed about it too, naturally, when the Lord drops somebody's name in your spirit, they said this one for, and then I've done a song with Kofi Pepra. Okay. I've done a song with Philip Ajale. I've done a song with Alexandra. Okay. And today also would be on the album.
All right.
Yes.
Album in
the first quarter of next year.
Oh, okay.
And definitely song going so.
Yeah, Fatu first.
Mate. But could you say about this one? Yeah,
no problem. And then after second. Papa Ruth, where the mammy musa, who share a yum to us young Kassan, how many years?
I check. Me releasing the first album, it was in 2013.
2013.
Yes, 2013 till now. But even before, me started saying me ankasa, me projects no. Now me backing people in the studios.
Okay.
Even till date, most of the songs are already done. What's what about to when I make babies in the studios, and just that me videos into who say, me and I'm too.
Ew. Mommy says, I knew the way for a promotion that you're saying.
All right. And then big ups to Max. Max, Mona Masumpa, just say, with the name, and then TV, Max, so boy, and other TV stations, your sister stations also. And I don't know if I'm allowed to mention their names, but Praise TV, Abdom Multimedia for Airball, Pen TV for Airball, like a lot of TV stations, you'll be shot on mobile.
Na and you know now Masuma na omuna no near friend Paula no Makakran.
Okay, also sometimes they are all based also on relationship. Yeah. And Kofono be no more songs they bar out now, then they start playing. And then Max TV, for instance, as soon as the song comes out, Mr. Richie would have them start playing it even before I get there. It's a relationship, and of course that is not to say you take the people for granted. It's already home mobile now or dome so bronya na abi no waboura
what be wonsem
exactly.
You enyum no yebeboa wo yeso mu so de kwan bia so
mejimudi
ebedi ho dwuma ye pebi atia wadaro ma hefa ne nsa beka bia.
All right, digital platforms ni now Boom Play, Spotify, iTunes, Audio Mac, baby ya ton you online bi as say ano bibia digital nti wonya entire ya wo din roots eje wo Google kra wo din roots eje ya AI the info ni na ebebo where you to get
and na pa me bo root eje che videos de o ha ne akire.
All right, nti I dance here, you know, until bia o hwe bibia wo din ne pe beba. And the sound engineer also here nyom no Radin Shran, your friend the Sounds Kitchen Studios.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Steven Tete, Iradi Enshram.
More than pa.
Oh, yes.
Good.
Is Yamin Shram.
Yebeja na wako wasem bisa itwato.
Okay.
Eya na manfo wo feeling ni se nyamesom e wa komam. Enye chinchini ache se eda kwasi eda bia ebe kwa kogina soro dem ansa na yakase yesum nyankopon. Ubetimi atena fie asum nyankopon. Ma mo kakra se nyamesom e wa komam. Enkomo fa ne sen.
Yamesum enya akomemu nkwa na wo. Right, enya akomemu nkwa na wo. Brighten the corner wherever you go. Yo obega na some den nursery. Sa na catch brighten the corner wherever you go. Into so if it is Christ you are brightening in your corner. Baby a obedu bia no. E so ma Christo suno ededi enya wakomemu nkwa. I know of your brothers the Muslims when they are at the airports not time so na say omo yi asori ya. Bon so no bi koto corner ho. E bon pai omo mfere. Ada na ye Christopher ne de ese say ye fere ho. Enti enye wakomemu nkwa. And of course enya asori dem nkwa but Bible nso aka say me enja ye ho nhie mu. Into ya na ye after 7 days, 6 days now. Wako when you man so akoye obi bia na ewie no. Spending just 2 hours 30 minutes in the presence of the Lord. Ewa ye hunshi mu no. I don't think it's too difficult to do.
Why no di same atwa to na yenya kwan.
We didn't kaya damwase. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you for assuring me so say enyumo no so ejinem. I betimi epushi amanako. The whole Max TV, Max FM, Radi Enshram. Big ups to every individual almost supporting me. Inshirangi Radi so say Sunday ya female vocalist of the year. Our Praise Achievements Awards.
Wow.
And in me fast akwan way so that organizers no ase papa. And to everybody was so much sing from the beginning of my ministry till now. It hasn't been a very smooth journey. But the Lord has been faithful. Until I didn't share o biara.
Rita J, you better associate to Safra by a cabibinas when you and Yahua. Ye jina bonsam di mu se fache yin.
Bonsam de ontumi nyina di.
Nyankopon.
Na wo jina di mu gra enye yi. Enu de cha wenye yi.
Nyankopon di mu se fache.
Jina Nyankopon di mu. Na fa.
Okwa so be na kwasi ada.
Me Pentecost, me PIWC West Hills.
Kwasi ada me kwa koja wo.
Ah, me ba be fa okra dodo. Ba cha te hin na o kire me off air hon.
So yeah. Yemfa new song no sorry so introduction no ma yetie for na yemfa nwum ntum.
Patrol. So this is Mighty God from Ruth Ajay featuring Shadrach Mensah. Enjoy.
Welcome to Friday morning.
You want to help me testify?
Max FM 89.7.
Breaking barriers, setting captives free. Have you seen the hand of the Lord? Breaking barriers, setting captives free. I call him the mighty.
Max FM 89.7.
The mighty, mighty God. My Jesus is the mighty. He's the mighty. He's the mighty, mighty God. Say, have you seen the hand of the Lord? Breaking barriers, setting captives. Say, have you seen? So I call him Jesus is the mighty God. He's the mighty, mighty. My Jesus is there. He's the mighty. He's the mighty
God. Calling on all alumni. Join us
every Saturday at 9 a.m. on School Connect,
the ultimate platform to reconnect with your alma mater and share your founder's memory.
Let us spread great Okwasi.
Share your story.
We are the only and first college in Ghana.
The only secondary school administration board with a helipad.
It's Tema Secondary School.
What school near you know? You have to go to Presec to be shaped.
Revisit your school days and reminisce about your time with friends and teachers. Showcase your school ongoing and upcoming project. Inspire current students and make your school proud. Be part of the connection. Don't miss this opportunity to reunite with old friends and classmates. Network with fellow alumni. Give back to your school community. Tune in
every Saturday at 9 a.m.
Schools Connect, where memories are revisited and new connections are made. Live on Max TV, Max FM 89.7 and online max.com.gh.
When I get home and want something quick to chop, everything they inside, groundnut milk and sugar. I only need some water, so this made easy. Kivo carry me, Kivo carry me for your office. Boarding house, Kivo carry everything they inside, groundnut milk and sugar. I only
4-in-1 Gary mix. Soakings are easy. This advert is FDA approved.
The streets, the heat, the energy, the heartbeat of the city pounds and one destination only. The Accra Sports Stadium. This December 24, 2025, Barrington Music Group presents the Beam Festival 2025, the Torture Edition. The Beam President Stone Boy returns to the center stage at the biggest African party. This is not just a festival, but another historic night in the making. Tickets are going fast. VVIP 400 cities, VIP 200 cities, regular 50 cities. Dial star 714 star 2025 hash or visit beamfestival.com to secure a spot now for an unforgettable night of music, culture, and unity. For sponsorship and more info, call 0501 550 000. This is a decade of dominance, and the torch still burns bright. Stone Boy Beam Festival 2025, the Torture Edition, Wednesday, December 24th, Accra Sports Stadium. Be there.
Don't see me like a fool because I don't do
Watagwan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. What?
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Cause reggae's
Shut the target! Oh, my word! That was the Sputnik! Through the middle, opportunity for the Fabians! They are back in it!
Asante, Mr. Asante, watch your man.
Football is back and the nation is ready. From the streets of Accra to the parks of Kumasi to every corner where passion beats louder than 1,000 drums. The Ghana Premier League returns. The rivalries, the passion, the drama, every tackle, every goal, every last-minute moment that reminds us that this is our game. The stars are ready. The teams are ready. The fans are roaring. This season, we rise together. This season, we play for glory. This season, the Ghana Premier League is back. Live on Max TV and Max FM 89.7.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back.
89.7 we'll rock. Max FM, what do you do, Okita say?
Welcome to Friday morning.
Feet my chest, your back asset. It's Friday. You see my baby, but the bottom big baby, you just see me no fi kill I need to know what you did. Oh yeah, send me all look kiki. Shabali you know the day. Oh, my yes I not the day. I need to know what you did. Send me all look kiki. Shabali you know the day. Oh, my yes I not the day. Come to my dad. Oh, excellent, excellent, oh, excellent, excellent. You go put me for emergency. Shorty, excellent, excellent, oh, excellent, excellent. You go put me for emergency. Girl, I need you. You make a man feel in you. All I want is you. Oh, you tell me what I know feed do. I you. Whatever you want, I go give you. Oh, my baby boo. 247, girl, I'm ready. Body set it. Got all my shit for my baby. Wanna do many things very crazy. Now she telling me, say she be Jency. She working Fendi. Pull up in a Benzy. Bum bum, they offend me when she bend it. You go put me for it. I need to oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. And you never thought that I would be okay. You like to me. You make me want to freak. Coming back from your knees. Oh no.
Your friend Wendy say, Nankadu Kumasia San Besanwe. We, anyway, and Kayasania decided Kumasi. 2026 TGMA Artist of the Year, no doubt. Okosroba from Wendy Shea. I'm saying more kwaba. Yankwa na yente enkomo yi mpacho. He, me se betra na so. Why? Betra na so na emenya ya. Why? Oh, hello. O betra na so e. He, bra betra ha. Why? Yanti komo yefi hotel ye kona ye ne Mega Cash Lucky Boss mpen fa twetwe komo Bamcha na pay mo te say
nyame adumo brakumi ye ho ye pa
obi a ho ye o say meti anyame de nada na mo chiche sikasa adan mo bebo kawo
abrakumi e ka bia nim
sa
e kanim na ade a ma manfo ho an ha mo de mi hu se yeka mi hu ni se ade pa so hu a good course enti se obi bronya next week ya na bronya du amafa sha se to bronya pabo ne bronya ntare so hu na se obo game na wadi 100 million 50 million 500 million na o de adi bronya na je se ne kwan so no enti review scratch for win my body no review scratch for win no nkomode ene na ma sempa nko a na edina
emu nkomo te sen
yo lady kan meka se game we abefu game a je se very very easy for bia so bia timi bobi abrowa akokora abrantie ababawa wenyi no unyini yo baba do nware yo uye adwuma onye adwuma utimi de ho dimbi na as simple say ukra phone phone bia adwuma network ni nyina so bo so yeye na owo mumu wallet ewo phone no so awa activate na o time phone na wadale short code simple the dead star 787 hash star 787 hash ibobio star 787 hash o dial code ni wi a yes o station ben na otie free na free na wa select number 2 no Max FM o select Max FM na fe ye do ba main menu no so menu no yes play game number 1 ho no game na kasa che 2 say wabo game ni bi pen na person who results no for previous results and 3 omo bo website ni so no mo fa bi OTP na no so OTP na delay out me retrieve ho enti ye be call number 1 no aye play game no enti so call number 1 select play game ni obehu fa bi card type no amount a person wo de to agudie no so enti from 1 to 8 in amount no ya list or 5 CD card or 10 CD card or 20 CD card or akwesi 2000 Ghana CD card it is now not select your card type and amount a person what the two so na if I select number 2 no 10 Ghana CD na no card bi a select bia no your 5 options lucky cards e wo bia chi amount a select no ni nyina bia 5 cards e wo chi da eno na wo the amount na select no e to so until we select TV na fe select lucky card out of 5 until I find select 10 CD no select TV no what number the next option no 5 cards maybe lucky number number 5 na select number 5 we select number 5 ni we na fe wa confirm so me bought 10 CD card no na mom 10 CD card na ma select no me pe lucky card number 5 no na wa confirm me o confirm we na abetwa ne se momo prompt ni beba se bo momo pin ni shem obo momo pin ni shem wie ya eno ano no onya fi bio now game results no so edi sequence ma say in less than a second now game results so aba say game results no ba na wadi a usika no so tom na abedom ana friends abetom o cash na ba abetom e momo wallet so I just say very simple and very straightforward review scratch for win there na someday I want to say ultimate media kwesi 100,000 Ghana cedi yet it is kind of 1 billion drag me 1 billion no yes kaketwa
yes kaketwa
so ho enti never ho no sana je no etie with review scratch for win enti scratch for win there very easy to win very straightforward utimi born the time bia we yen close bro nya amanfo eto omuduma mu amanfo ko holiday amanfo take break no scratch for win no o dale a obekọ na wo we yen tumu enka se yekodi bro nya da bi bro nya da no wi akokọ na mu yekura timi bo 31st night oko na mu cross over we a utimi bo last month ma cross o cross so ase enti yen close it's 24/7 o dale star 787 hash na utimi e do ho jagro no be
na we so points e wo mu te se mega cash no se na ye na ye yetimi nya points na mo cha de no we so e ho asem te se
yo that's it okay so we no points enim na emom o game na obo no obo bia na e record wo system no so on say wo phone number na ebo so wo ho enti game abo nyina no transaction history no e wo system no so enti the more we dey agree na system no enim dada so kwakuma no number 02411 otabo into onunie so there's a history and a transaction history of all gameplay no and it's a promotion draw a pull data na yenim dodo bia obi abo but that's what I say until gameplay ni there say na abo na wanya messages ni nyina be ba pepe ma wan kasa hu say oh my board game na be 5 times 10 times 20 times ni nyina no records no system no mu it is a do promo a e ko pull data na just say won so unim so udi kan because o ta di agro ni bi
yo amina fa kakra so na yenko yanim
say kakra mpese me de so ne say asa udi kan ka say ye cheska na na review scratch for win de nya yank ye be sal enkofo line ya cho musika be stampede be ba ho ntini ye den ye de agu abefo so no ya ne digital it's a Christmas video any adolfo na be den e na ye celebrate Christmas no ye the digital just ya hijacking digitalization no and it's na very simple and no ani say why den wa fa wo phone now I dial star 78 star hash I follow prompt
star 787 hash
star 787 hash now I follow prompt no o follow prompt na just say kakra o de beto achire na de ato achire na just say Christmas han me de Christmas ye de na just say abeye de amaye yi na kakra person me san so de to so ne say I say obo game no any network providers na ye ejuma ti there are times I bia obo a bia akoke mana say when who result na ntem na say usika na mbeto mu ntem anti no obeye de obeda lisa code na what choose option 2 which is review your friend and say o game no until boy no so e dey back back to 5 recent games no okay I just say I then what screenshot you wait me screenshot it but there are times also automatically your system no it me rectify is a problem we into under normal circumstance the oh boy now I then now game results number abetom but at times say am betom ubet me then a screenshot say your friend and say how game results no. No,
and I also use smartphone. I also then.
I don't use smartphone. Then I make your system no. Your friend say, and one way or the correct side way. It is a over wait me a chain for 24 hours, and I rectify. Not to say I push you sick and amount. But there are times also I say be open to where then up scan any menu yarn. Wait me I ask screenshot. Now I push it. I'm a say number way. The number near 02459. 18278 0245 918278. That's a very rectify problem number.
But so and also no line no a customer support line say when you use smartphone now fresh sim one problem bia na offer normal caller ebeba okay and I just say what they want some ato rant any number one na befa call no elim so what challenge be say mo ebe go into the system na fe o ma rectify problem no e the amount na game no we no abra wa bo game na wanya results no game ni the boy ya results but say na me na kan na do ba bi challenges network challenges na dey obi won chan kwa na e fry say adum ni phone nso phone yin so onum no anti e bitimi esisa but entansi but esia na wa contact customer support na fe yabo wo
che bibia ni ho de ne ye beda ma asese to nsa fra mobile
yo na me kan twa to eni say a good day NLA adiatum mama license and approval and is what is a review scratch for when and I'm fidie so obabobia na ne kwan so ano no aban sa ehyemu a aban na etutu ye no ma eman wano a enti wo de ho don ya wo de ho adon ekuo papa agudie papa
yo tina wo bibi kana na
okay man for akran to aso remember the tofa on say they be ameka said there is no way Max TV for ebe present ade a enye papa ade ebe ha o mahwefo mo nye sa ade ne da intino edu festive season say side chicks for ebusia for obia jiske free ho no wada ne be ma o your banzo so na say wana ye bibia obia hwe obia ji bibia free ho intino agro way aba so that obia be hen no men dream who say bia game na me bo no nkofo say ye say ana say misuro say wanya ye say usuro awonye den undi sika o de bebo kitu ebi it's just 5 Ghana cedis or more 5 Ghana cedis or more now so rain fi code no *787# *787# oba na was select o lucky boss from where boxes weba no in fact lucky cars from sa numbers na bantu select here sika won bia ye odia we encourage obia so obia fa ne hunjim we are real and we are here to support obia edu Christmas say ye pese ye surprise ye players you get it into no sika egugum ne sika bebre no say ye Christmas ache dia ye de ma ye players in night we encourage obia so obia fa ne hunjim because we are real
that must say to safra mobile all right, I'm saying me any abranti a friend of Quadio Tins, a babbe chichin and como. Enti yene Quadio Tins, a babbe chichin commerce here.
For the young girls, for that ones in love, but they can't tell. Yeah, so put your hands in the air, like you really don't care. Yeah, to the left, to the right. Oh, you go there, be there. Do the dance, do the dance. Everybody make us see you do the dance. Do the dance, do the dance. Everybody make us see you do the dance. Do the dance, do the dance, do the dance, do the dance, do the dance.
Oh yeah, you are the reason why I am still alive.
Welcome to Friday Morning.
I depend on you so I can survive. I promise think of you, I go change my life. My baby waits for me, I will soon arrive.
All right, I'm saying more kwaba. Max morning the yesha sia no pa nonsia. Ye de ne sia kosi se na nkro ne asoro so ne the sports park jumadi na to aso de ama ye frame kumi kasa. Ye ne ye nua ba ma Quadio Tins. Atis ba ko obo no homodi we kromu ha pa ye ne ba ba twetwen komo. Meme de me friend no Mr Playboy. The new song got the about gangster B and in here.
Welcome to Friday Morning. Max FM. Max FM 89.7.
Oh, so no one ever be a see pine is scared. We cross one me bed in now. We cross one mommy trade. And against the via, Makuma want them. We know pull temper. My against the via, in yasem. We know mommy trust. And against the via.
Yeah, funny be Quadio yanto yemu kwemu. Yeah, ne Quadio Tins, a baba to train come live on Max 89.7 Max Morning Deal. Young Quay.
So him so watch me problem. I'm not fear me try Calabia Menano. Oh, so no one baby yes. To see behind the skirt. We cross one me bed in now. We cross one mommy trade. To bounty. Madame against the via. Makuma want them. We know pull temper. My against the via. In yasem. We know mommy trusty. And against the via. It's in them. Ready down me pep. My against the via. So into my son yasem. Hey, say why? From me being a rest of me, say why? Benjamin say me the prayer why? See me Taiwan, I'm a say why? Then go back and take been rest, and I hold on a dear, it will difference. Then go back DJ, been rare when I am seeing a dear, me be first. Me mama diako. What a brofu. Ako. Young cock brofu. And against the beer. Mahuma want them. We no pull temper. My against the beer. Yeah, meaning yasam. We no mommy trusty. And against the beer. Meeting me anthem. Better than me pep. My against the beer. So I'm my son yasam.
Quadro things. Many of them to say.
Yamia don't call big boss.
Bibi ada din.
Bibi ayo call.
Say jana ye watch up say nanka nkomo yem na so I say there. My baby primo hey.
Finally my fresh archer.
Finally say no. Abaso. Enyum to adwuma akosen.
Yamia don't call. Kakranka ye na mo yeah.
Na wanya dwuma bia anye o Ghana na so be enwuma na se wana what you say so be enwum
enyom to no your friend enye choice
okay
yeah nti edwuma bi nso emu edu pa nti I think so far wa fa edwuma papa your friend yeah nti your friend na mama di na am ha enye se me ni edwuma bia na me se me ye enwum no
Kwajo say o ye den upcoming artist na say no ye hu say we a new artist and now you're mainstream artist.
Me a new artist. Yeah, me a new artist. I know. And see about sanity.
And you to edge my heading.
Heading, pa.
I didn't mind you to edge my heading.
Everything about it, heading.
From
promotions, recordings, going for an interviews, especially so you're up and coming. Heading, pa.
I didn't money at the Mawo, especially so you're upcoming.
One say, what that already you have the audience. Name my fina over fina open audience, and Uncle will be also a links baby who are winning. Yeah, and to here and will be free baby and some when a certain connections be. Yes, and it's our connections, no up and coming there, and yeah, easy, sir. Yeah, and yeah, easy, crowd.
And 2% on GD na Ghana full 19.
Yeah, me pese Ghana for 90 million.
I didn't see that pese Ghana for 19 can I into on
because nienti a metro nyom ne say me motivating for na ma inspire omo. Yes. Enti min kwa me enye nyom no nhye dam na minti na me ka say me motivating for. Yes, and I have a good message. Me message a me pese nkrofo ntie me a preacher. Nya me fam so kasa twa nipa nti no. Nkrofo tie me nyom am giti se beboa. Na
preacher then now could not sorry them and microphone. Say see where.
Simply because I don't think say I sorry down there. Semeti I sorry one location pe but nyom dey call we are singing na. Nti I think so person preach chunk of the best thing to do nyom no mom.
Enyum to adwuma wa fa to ho so yi. Ye wo amanfo ma to nyom abɔ ho kasa o man gidinda. Ye will be so by an enqua, Wajiba Bia. Meaning, say, make I win him be so, sir.
Yes, I don't care.
Ye na a bomb pie, the amount say, Obajidi, obey famous, or come as I did.
Amen.
Amba Moonswa, obey fancy.
Me near a mamu on my process no more. Meaning, say by all means a bebum. And Banner bebum so a process now munam. I hope say by now bombing you more. Maybe she could make us all bombing more. Heading Obiti baby, OT and no before be a frame. And see a honor abamu baby no. So that is how I see it. Yeah, and immediately say said I was a near Makuyi be and a beconis of a paper.
Or record label.
Yeah, right now I'm in Mr. Williams na Juma for now. Williams Entertainment.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Tionwana obwa wo sika semne.
Yes.
1-2-1-2 be.
Yes, 1-2-1-2 be near there.
To say a record label be about when in Shadan Johnson.
Oh, and I say record label be about a record no name Mr. Williams mom na be ebedi nkomo. For me I'm just an artist, I'm a producer. Me yum no go. Yeah.
My agreement in it is saying when I just 70%, 30 and 60% because ye be saying person that should be film never now sika some na fair quite be
Oh, I hope so that can be Biama. Yeah, but I quite record label as 17. Yentimin can be Bia dito. Yes, but I think say fair. Yeah, it's cool.
Ayana a beach say working with a record label. Ayana yedding. A sense of person ye be a label no Emma Quine Emma on them home. O person on call her label Nessie and call o person on dropping them label Nessie that be entering transfer cancer. At a saying,
well, to me,
record label yeah, you might say.
Okay, to me personally, okay, ma'am, because certainly. Oh yeah, solo artist. I'll be sorry. No, I drop PBB. This time, 97 I also go through process B. So I think that is the best. And I don't think so. O person won't drop in. You be na a camera record label no be camera as a man drop it because they want to benefit from you. Into a more yeah, they be boa artist and now boa record label. So I think o record label muna say deal no fry cool.
Ghana music industry. Your man ho kwan no ye do gina platform so na say the microphone industry no e de na how we industry no pa gina obi anti bi na yentu hu anamo e de na beka
make say right you know as a talent be ho a emwa ho yeden to me say na me ho no because so we are up and coming now ba to get some shows and some deals no most of the times you have to pay. Yeah, which are and the Americans and common to money show underground artists, upcoming artists. Yeah.
We say upcoming for more talented than Omo Majidino.
Oh, and yes, sir. But a been so upcoming almost so talent no more do. Yes. Into emotional a wants to be anti kama because and yet be a bit my or more limelight no more.
Who say a yedema Ghana for say or be accept new artists?
Yeah, Eden.
Because I say, minimum and say, yeah, new artists be but fan boy.
Yeah, but most of the times I think say, yeah, mostly na a promo no. And I will say to me, just me come na. I know you're doing. But Ghana for the easy say beju to me else or mo hu bibi ansa.
I didn't know 3.0 awanyum.
Me pa cho say.
We trimpo o motive.
Me motive na say enkofo betie me nyum na o my inspired. To say gangster be onu oba bi te na say obi agina free say my man how your problem na waje obi foforo beba odofoforo beba.
My entie gangster bi na yehwe say ebe motivate ya no pay ya gangster bi why the boy a smooth beat
yes.
On a boy okay the matesa akoda no smooth yanko
so nim se waji mi problem amra fie me hwe kala bia manya no o so ne wana baby aji see by any skirt we cross on your bed na we cross on mommy tray so ba wonti I guess yeah makuma pontem we no kuli temper my guess yeah in yasem we no mommy trust I guess yeah in nantem we dey na me pep my guess yeah so dey my son yasem hey say why no me be na resa me say why Benjamin say me the brewa see me jai wana masaipa yengo bekente bin rese na odone dia you difference nengo be DJ bin mrewe na MC ne dia minya bi first me mama dia go what a brofo ako yengo me ko kan brofo obanunti and against the bia makuma gwantem we no kuli temper my against the bia meaning yasem we no mommy trust and against the bia meeting me nantem better than me pep my against the bia so they must want yasem yeah we know ya me having now so I train know ya me bedding now every day storytelling now every day she dey do something now girl be I am me three boom to me one baby I'm in one attention regional tease me take say me yes girl no me boy ko pension Hey, Sewa, from the Bina Samin Sewa, Benjamin Sign with the Brawa.
Your friend of Quadro Tins. Gangsta B. Live on Max 89.7. Yeni Bema Chichin, my best Ghana for say, Yamwa, Yenia Bema, Quadro Tins, Yamwano, Pa. You. Quadre.
Big boss.
And you will buy Ghana for something.
I Ghana for I attend you, Obi energy. Yeah, and go for say, come once a more. Yeah, first, na mean, 7 corner me against the bino. Some against us, Nanka Sawa, and I go.
Quadro say, obey famous. Obey fame, El Ghana. Say, obey Sikani, El Ghana. Na unye famous. Say, ubenya hit song. Old number bia, not just a gangster biaji baby. And I saw be Sikani. And I saw be famous. A moon your hand and person young couple when yama when you many year.
Me person number be an against the BIG baby for now.
No, only famous, but I know no bad for baby.
Oh, like and for baby and a fame no ba.
Okay.
So I believe that yes, our process no. Intimidate a coming quank against the being for baby.
And yes, Kentina, we hear you may.
Now, me person make a such uncle for Kekene and Toma Kumaso. Yeah.
2 person de nyum to adwuma be bobere bia when yesika cry okay.
I believe say enkrofo accepting message no. And edi bibia ba.
Dachi Quadro say jai enyum to yenyi die. Ye be jai yenwuma bia yedi. Owu nso e wo wiase.
That's true.
Quadro dachi uni ho Ghana for nkai wo say enyum papa be na be boy ya.
Yen kai me against the bin kwa e betimi de akai me. Yeah, against the bin kwa a whole lot. Yeah, Kasabebre. And trust me, say, enyum na eba no so bebre na anu ehia ankasa.
Okay.
Yes, all of them. Ni na enyum anu ehia ankasa.
Amanfo akasa e dia fa Daddy Lumba ne bro be boy ye ne kwan e fa so esie no. E dia na wasua e dia fimu.
Well, Monsieur Nemo be film, especially our real side near the other. But to me, I think say near my course or Daddy Lumba chino yinano. Me who say a yade be a be affected Daddy Lumba ankasa. Because some no kasa sisi so kwatina baby na eja Daddy Lumba nyom tomu sisi ya. At that moment na no. So kwatina baby na eja Daddy Lumba nyom to sisi ya. At that moment na no. Obeyi ne ho ano niema yekoso no nyina no achew. At that moment na no obe motivate you. At that moment na no obeyi afri o how bebre mu. Until then times no owe be fi de yekoso no nyina. Yes, so I believe say adwuma na Lumba be ye no. Eyade e ntwamu da.
Quadro aware.
Me pacho me worry.
Oh my.
There be minimum.
What do you how many years?
Me were my late 20s.
Oh, trending.
Aware no. Me train nyame anim.
Enkoda no so.
Enkoda no me wo photocopy back wo.
Oh, back on.
Yeah, me wo photocopy back one side.
Oh, sheno.
Oh, bibi akoso kama.
89.7.
Pesa that about that.
Oh, that be. Bibi ama. Bibi akoso kama.
Aside Gangster B, and you men are person and sentibium.
Yentie Jinyame.
Jinyame.
Yeah, Jinyame. Your sign was sent out so.
Edia na wo Jinyame nim.
Jinyame a motivational song where you be as Bibi abefa. And more about Mumu.
Yentie Jinyame.
Yentie Jinyame.
Ew.
Max FM. 89.7.
Asaya kama konasha esoma me ane aigo e kwan no wan so kanko e krono to aso adi oso na ba ku bi aji dampo so boys ya so dio se heaven cry in a road ye be go go besika be fie na ye munyi na sukra ho. Me wo jidie sa go make am one day. Me wo jidie ni sa we go make am. Ebe ye we go take am. Ebe ba fie we no go fail am. Ajinya
Your friend Kwadwo Tins Jinyame live on Max 89.7 Max Morning Dew. Kwadwo
Big boss.
And I know ne Kwame Nkansa etwetwe nkomo. Kwame Nkansa se talent kura no pesa talent ne beko waste. Baby obi aye ready so de ne befa bia obagidi no obeye.
Okay.
Obi ba se opeso mboa wo na ngidin wonwoma hete mfa babia. Uso musen.
So mu ye pa. So far as say emfa institutions of boni bi ambre me no dey I will do it. But say bibi body be the trade amenye. I believe in the right time. I believe in God's time. Yeah.
Ti e ba na yesi ku aponchi ku nantwi a eno be ye.
Oh and dey be ye.
Ba ku nipa de wonye.
There be mentimi kum nipa.
Eya na mpese me humu ni ntia because I say upcoming artist bia pese on didin obi pese onye te se Shatawale ne I don't know e dey na wo stardom say already moon tasty bida monhu enti ya na mo pese monye famous sa na nye den
enye famous na as enye famous no but say obenya a lot of people mo tie o message na o dey mo because we are nyum na nko hye dan mu tie a very painful o hye the kind of message na nko na o hye dan mu tie a ha adwen nti ya na e pese enya audience na o mbetie enye just fame no keke because wonya fame keke na say won to nyom papa bia e be ha adwen. Yes.
Grino.
Kumi.
Kwadwo Tins.
Tins. Kwadwo. Ayo. Te said the Kumi Ekin. Nano unia Kwame Nkansa. Ebetina ha. Emma Woka said, enyum ne dear, one ni dear, oko mood swinger. And I would timi nyaloris. Edito no nyum. Na ebi nso so ye na agya yehum kakra na yetimi nya lyrics e de to ye nwum den e na timi ma wunya lyrics e to nwum
me de e wo ma yetimi ko mood bi mo na ya tro nwum but to me timi tro nwum anytime nyame adom ti
nya say yetie kura ye bo komo kura no wutimi etimi si utim ma wo to nwum
yes sense mi tim kura na o ma me title bi a me de be ye me mama yes anytime any day.
So far, when you about in a 1 hour show.
Yeah, me and I'm a show.
1 hour show.
Yeah.
Okay. Come be say I say that be na obe worry. Okay, say we train your meaning. We train your meaning. Mako see that way.
Oh, me train any man could see a time I obey you. Obi ama me say me worry.
Na nyame na na free free me yi obi ma.
Say. I say more. Also, no, I don't say a bomb pie into no. A bomb pie into everything you be you be ama.
And do them pie na no I say nyame pon be bi ama wa.
Yes, or no kasa beba.
Based on unyum gangster. Obi ajo geda.
Yeah, obi ajo me girl.
And e ba ne say no jo girl.
Ah, no ni ma nko yi. Nsa girls no utimi hwe omo ye dia e beje no.
Enti e ba ne den kwan be ne fa so na e ba ne sa no ye den.
Manya hwe ensu ni ade na de hye dan mu na ye de bidu baby.
Broken heart no ho.
Broken heart.
Actually for how many months and years?
Oh, for be mfa no 1 month bi.
1 month.
Yeah, 1-2 months.
Now baby mama ne so wen.
Nyame adom wo ho.
Woni ne ntem te sei.
Oh, ye kasa de bi a edin komo kama.
Mo da so wo ho.
Oh, David, see ade mini girl.
See ade oni girl.
David.
Ti da be na be wo girl.
Na me see e twen nyame ani.
Awade na so twen nyame ani. Na girl ne see ade da be na be nya bi.
Oh, girl, I believe say bi a ye na mu ya ye ko hie obi na say vibe no e click here.
E click here. Na chese makeka ne me see.
Yes.
Okay, enti wonwumi against that o drop in da be na o drop in so no. Fans e wo ho etisen.
Oh, me drop against that be no like obi obeti enyum bia say o feel said the enyum no kono like bibia your on point. Nti me nya very good results if free against the be home. And aside that, so me drop in 6 months ago.
Okay.
Yes.
Going forward now, A-class artists be na wo pese en kanyame ye wadom a one no e be collaboration.
Oh, baby o. Obi ti se Shatawale Sakode. Sakode se me against the biso anka Mario nke be me de pa.
Hit song pa.
Oh, nka be Stone Boy, Family Kwesiata, Blacko a lot. Yeah, because omu nyina me wonum bi afiti wo mo pa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nti wo hwe enwom e be fiti nipa no na woni nipa no anye sa collaboration.
Yes, that's right.
Artist no why na ahwe no wo mu say wo pese wo nuru ba bia wadu.
Hey, shout out. Yeah, Wale, Sakode, Stonebwoy, omu nyina me looking up to them.
Say years to come.
Yes.
Ya me wadomo a.
Yes.
Ubedru baby a.
Baby omodru no. Yes.
Na sacrifice omo no omo make no ubetimi.
Oh, metimi. You go so I make it be a fine.
So.
Yeah, you go so I make it be a fine. I believe so omo anye be born be an idea as sacrifice no.
Yeah.
Metimi say yeah energy no kwa dia I can. I believe.
Right.
Kwadwo emwa ben na ohia de afiga na fo ho.
Mia Ghana for nyina say omonko no omonko tie against be omon stream against be na omon tie Kwadwo things nyom omon follow me on social media platforms no nyina so Ghana for onye sa ama no
Kwadwo ye ko enyom no ebenya bia wa he
enyom no wo digital platform bia so Boomplay, iTunes, Spotify baby abeko bia obo Kwadwo things KWADWO TINZ na obo against bia obenya no platform bia so
won penfo bia bedomase.
Oh yeah, aseda kese nkoma Mr. Williams. Aseda kese nkoma Mr. Dan Late. Eno obi bia o support Kwadwo things bia aseda kese nkoma Ojo. Obi bia Kofa mo nyina nyame hwe omo. Yeah. Aseda kese pa nso nkoma Mr. Kumi. Yeah, because me person me no be interview a chepa eno na nyame abie kon yatum. Yeah, nti me da se o ma me da opportunity we.
Kwasi Esel o evan.
Esel oh
Wona ne da so ye adwuma.
Me pacho sisi ade me ni Mr. Dan na ye adwuma for now. Yeah, but yeah, Mr. Esel so ho.
Ja number na bibia ni Christmas e by shows ahodo yem from.
Okay, my number is 0592 689 467. 0592 689 467. Yeah.
Kwadwo things ya da se.
Me so me da se bebre pa.
Absu ha na brebe ma kwa na ye de maximum ndi ujumade na besi ye fast da ma mass buy Kivo hot pepper boy sika famu ma na no pa ye de ye ujumade na bro na fe ye fast da so ma mega cash lucky boss so ye kan cho se star 42 star 8 hash select number 2 max ready enu achi boxes ma koma kunsia beba bomari aso be select o lucky number 1 to 6 5 Ghana cedis 10 Ghana cedis ni achi fato so sika bi befuma ba na ye no wabusuafo de yado bibia say production team enkoma the beautiful green are in the choir yada na say DJ Holy and producer Mr. Obobi nso boy sika enye sika famu ebi afi no be boy sika famu dia fine
Kwadwo next no say be die nie
enye sika famu
o boy ye nim die famu
yada say onso age bre ni adaje tie ndwumade yi yada say eframi kumi kwase eframi kumi kasa mesemu
Sunday Friday is allowed.
Kumikasa.
Ne Friday eja. O the Friday na ohun mo aba. Abusiafo ye cha
obi. Aka be kumikasa ya.
Ya cha obi bia. Wo jibre etie ye da na se bebre pa nya me ya do ma se de ye kwe. Ya mo obi bia fish apa de ye ka ne se hwe ohun yie. Esan street ni so aye hye yie papa ahwe yie ene hia nya me nhira wo so wo koso a ene ye etina